Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, get ready. Many of you are wasting too much time in Reddit rooms, spreading FUD and nonsense, uneducated, and just basically missing the boat. Everything is about to get really, really great on the stock market, and you're too busy being angry with the world and frustrated at yourself, and you've missed the boat. It's already starting to happen. I'm going to explain all of that in today's video. All right, good morning, good morning. Oh, guess who's here? Sensei Crypto is here. How many people have been asking for Sensei Crypto in the last few days? Many people messaging me, where is Sensei? What's going on with Sensei? What's happening with XRP? How wonderful to have Sensei here in the chat. Welcome to everybody over there on TikTok. Get ready for a really, really great run. 100%. Okay, let's get ready for it. Let's bring all the information that you need on the screen. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. We aim to be the most honest, real, live YouTube TV channel in the world where I speak to and interview the CEOs and I research every stock requested by my members. I've just gone through, wait for it. You want to see how many reviews we've done? Full reviews? Look at the state of this. This is just gone through a magic number. Unbelievable. Just in the last few weeks we've been doing this. If we go on the homepage of the channel and you look down here, it's called the Alpha Spread Stock Review with Martyn Lucas Investor. That'll be me then. Right, these are all my reviews. Full up to 1 hour. Some of them are 1 hour long. How many reviews have we done? We have done, it's just off screen. It's just off screen. I'm sorry, I just can't quite get it to you. 52, it says just here. 52. Just can't quite share with you on the screen. Sorry about that. But we've done 52 reviews now. Absolutely fantastic. All your favorite stocks are in here. We're now starting to do some again that people have asked me to do again. These are all the stocks: PBR, ZVRA, Joby, FSR, Race, Flux, Sidhu, RTX, Nike, Taiwan Semiconductor, Fuel Cell, Top Golf, Perion, Polestar, Ford, Grab, PDD, REE, Eagle Pharmaceuticals, Figs, ChargePoint, Hall of Fame, Disney, Unilever, Tech, Enovix, Intuitive, Coca-Cola, First Quantum, Symbolic, Terran Orbital, Faraday, Alibaba, Safety Shot, Rocket Lab, Burner, Canopy Grove, Stone, Aurora, Carnival, Nikola, AMC, T2, Archer, Farfetch, GoPro, Alpha, Fisker for the second time, Medifast, Arbor, Uber, Blink, and Palantir. Yes, this is just part of the series. We're now doing Meet the CEO as well. So it's going to be a very, very exciting year on the channel, giving you more and more information to give you the information that you need to make the informed decisions. All right, now then, I've got some important information to share with you all this morning. I was up nearly all night. I haven't slept very much tonight, I have to say, and that's not good. You should never do that, but that's my choice. But I've not been sleeping because I've been spending my time building relationships online at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. And I'll explain all of that very, very shortly. Anyway, my portfolio, as you can see, consistently beating Warren Buffett, consistently beating the market. Let's have a look at where we are today. So let's go over to it right now and see where we are now. We're up 0.65 at the moment. This is my Roth IRA. Remember, I started with $5,000. I've never done any shorts, never done any options whatsoever. And my balance is now 73,760. 73,760. We should be at 80,000. And I'll explain why. We trimmed back at the beginning of the year for good reason, but I bought more. I used even more margin. All right, I bought more, and I'll explain all of that today as well. And we missed out on the opportunity of Sidhu Space. We missed out on that opportunity, but did we? It's gone straight back down again. Now, I'm not a gambler, remember? As much as I like to get a pump like the next man, I won't chase a stock. I won't risk my portfolio to make money. I can make money just by doing the right thing, not by doing the wrong thing. It's just like a gambler. A gambler will tell you he went into the casino and he won. He won't tell you that he lost the last 20 times. If you consistently beat the market, consistently don't lose money, consistently protect your portfolio, if you can do that, you're going to make more money in the midterm, short term, and long term than those who make money and then lose it. It's very, very important. If you consistently make $1 a day, you're going to do better than someone who makes money, then loses money, makes money, then loses money. It was great to get the pump. It happened twice on Sidder Space, twice, but both times it was not cheap enough for me to buy it, and I'm not going to do it again today. All right, unless it goes to around the $4. What is the point of doing the research on the intrinsic valuations, the balance sheet, the debt positions, if you then go, that doesn't matter, I just buy it anyway? What is the point of all of that? So that's not how I invest. It's discipline, it's structure, and overall, consistently, it works. So anyway, okay, let's get straight into where we are this morning. Let's see the comments we've got. I've got a funny comment I'm going to read out in a second. Good morning from Sensei. Good morning all, says Henrik. Lovely to have you here. We've now got members in 52 countries. Actual members of our channel in 52 countries. Here they come. All right, 52 countries. All right. I will be back on Sunday. Fantastic. We are all looking forward to seeing Sensei back on Sunday. Now then, if you want to talk to Sensei, I know many of you have missed him. You want to know what's going on with the crypto challenge. You want to know what's going on with XRP. I get lots of crypto questions on my conversations online. Sensei is back on Sunday. So let me give you the link. You don't want to miss it. Here is Sensei's show on Sunday. Here he is, clean shaven, ready to go. All right, this is Sensei. So I'm going to give everybody the link now for Sensei's show on Sunday. So I'm going to drop it here in the chat 3 times so you can see it. I'm going now to go over to, I'm going to drop it into all my other places and give Sensei a really good audience on Sunday. This is my LinkedIn audience. So if you want to know about the crypto, Sensei is back on Sunday. Here is the link for his show. Let me go into my Kick audience and give everybody the link to Sensei's show over there. What about Rumble? Let me give everybody the link on Rumble. Let me just get past the ads. There we go. There's Sensei's crypto show on Sunday. All right, I've just given it to you there. Let me give it to everybody in Twitch as well. There we go. Let me refresh the screen on Twitch. We are live there. Let me just do that now. There you go. Now then, also on Facebook and X, let me give everybody my link to Sensei's show on Sunday. Talking crypto and chart analysis. A very different style of show to me. It complements my show. It's very different to me, even though we share similar values. We look at the markets differently, which is what you want, right? And finally in X. All right, so there's Sensei's show posted wherever you're watching this morning. All right, now then, let me just drop into, we've had a busy night on Stock Quits, a busy night on X. I've been up all night, so let's have a look. What comments have I got in the last few minutes? Thank you. We've got the course that we're talking about, the fan of the year as well. Who won? You'll be finding that out soon. Go, 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 get the money. And don't forget, we've got our $100 giveaway as well. Yes, 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 to Mike. We're giving away $100 in cash. Thank you, Mike, for all the reposts. I haven't got any to do because I've been up all night doing it. All right, so that's all taken care of. Here is our giveaway. If you've not yet entered the giveaway, it's free to enter, free for all. You don't have to be a member. Every day there are free tickets. Don't forget to visit the website every day to get your free tickets. Let me give you the link for the giveaway. Here is the giveaway. We're giving away $100 and some merchandise. Same thing. Let's drop that into LinkedIn. Let's drop that into Rumble. It's free to enter, free for all. You can win by just one single ticket. The more tickets you've got, and they're very, very easy to obtain, the more chances that you have of winning. All right, let me drop it into Facebook and finally X. All right, that's all done. Okay, now then, some of you, you're going to be amazed by this. This absolutely amazed me. I was completely flabbergasted by this simple fact. There we go. John Granfors, welcome back, Sensei. He's already popped into Sensei's show. How nice of John is that, one of our members. Now then, we have, you wait for this, absolutely brilliant. We have a 77% open rate on the newsletter, which contains a magic number for the giveaway. 77%. 77%. And only 3 people from the newsletter entered the number to win the $100. I'm blown away by that. I'm absolutely blown away by that. So please do open your newsletter again and add the number. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. You've already got the newsletter. You've already opened it. You've entered the giveaway. You just haven't entered all the options. I don't know why you wouldn't do that. I wish I could enter it. Leah said, I wish I could do it. I would enter the number. Take me about 1 second. But yeah, for some reason, only a couple of people, 3 people have done it. So there you go. Now, if you've not had the newsletter, I will send it out again to those who've not received it or not opened it. So new subscribers. So how do you get the newsletter? It's martynlucas.com/links. Here's the page. So if you've not yet got the newsletter, I'm only going to give this into YouTube now. So if you want to be, you want the newsletter to get the free tickets, I'm in youtube.com/@MartynLucasInvestor. That's where I posted it. But it's martynlucas.com/links. There is the newsletter. And I will give it a day. Once everybody gets some new subscribers, I will send it out to you again. All right, so you won't miss that. But yeah, I'm surprised that so few of you have done that. Anyway, let's go through. Hi all. Raman. I think Raman was asking about, were you asking about Sensei? I think it was you. There's quite a few people were. Couldn't do show on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. No, that's understandable. Couldn't do a show New Year's Eve or Christmas Eve. Why not? I would have done. Hey, everyone. Morning all. John Granfors. Amazon is a bloodbath pre-market. Fantastic. Fantastic. Not really. Not really. Who said it's a bloodbath, Niels? No, it's not really. You got to remember how overpriced Amazon and Apple are. To go down 1.2% when you're about 15-20% overvalued, it's nothing. It's nothing at all. I'm not buying it. Sorry, I'm looking at Apple. I beg your pardon. I'm looking at Apple. That's 2% there. No, I'm not buying it. Not buying it at all. I've said this over and over and over again until I'm blue in the face. Amazon and Apple, the big mega caps, are all overbought. That's why I took profit. That's why I'm out. That's why, I know this confuses a lot of people, why I just bought the S&P. The S&P has confused people. They're going, why would you buy $8,000 on margin of the S&P when the biggest positions are Apple and Amazon and Google? They're going to affect the market the most. You're even saying that you know they're going down. Correct. Correct. I bought the S&P not for Apple or Amazon or anything else. However, when they come back, the S&P will go up very quickly. The reason for that is I bought my first allocation of $8,000. I'm intending buying another $8,000 when it goes down another 1 or 2%, which it probably will. But you'll go, well, why didn't you just wait? Because I'm not trying to time the market. I know what's going to happen. I understand the direction of the market. I understand overvalued stocks. That's easy. So I want to be in that market. I don't have to wait for a magic moment to jump in. I know I want to own this index, like I know I want to own certain companies. We are going to go up very, very quickly in the next few weeks. 100%. Interest rates are going to be coming down. 100%. I've got some more information to share with you this morning about that. And but the reason for owning the S&P is not the mega caps is because there are 493 other stocks that have all underperformed, mid to small, that are all going to do very, very well on the index. That's why I bought it. And that's why, even though I bought it at the top, the very, very top, I'm only down 1.46. I'm not bothered at all because I can buy another $8,000 now if I want, and it will take it down to 0.75 down if I want to. I'd rather wait for it to go lower though. If I'm going to buy another 8,000, what's the point? But when you look at Amazon, on the other hand, is down 5.42. Hence why I didn't buy Amazon, but I did buy the S&P. All right. So yeah. Anyway, there you go. Hi, namaste, Kamala Dal. How are you? Building relationships online at 3 a.m. Is Leah aware of this? Yeah, that was. I knew I saw a comment that would make me laugh. Yeah. I have been very, very busy in stock twits. Very, very busy in stock twits and Reddit. Comments I cannot share on the screen. And even though I'm not on Reddit, I watch what's going on Reddit, okay? I never comment on Reddit. You'll never know I'm there, but I read and I learn about the sentiment of the market and the ignorance of people. There's all kinds of comments here. I'm going to flash over them very quickly. All night long, I've been dealing with all of this. You can see that at 5 o'clock in the morning. See it, look, 5 a.m., 5 a.m., 5:18, 5:14, 5 o'clock, 5:02. You can see, get the idea. 5 o'clock in the morning, 4:51, 4:51, 4:29, 4:26. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you seen this? Have you seen what's happening tomorrow? Oh yes. Anyway, a lot of stuff going on, a lot of conversations going on, a lot of people saying a lot of stuff. 4 o'clock in the morning, Martyn, good morning, regards to your video. Lots and lots of comments. You wouldn't believe. Anyway, I've even been talking to a pilot at Virgin Galactic. Even been talking to a pilot at Virgin Galactic. Fantastic. All right. During the night. Right. So then, let's go back to our main position. I love you. I love you. Get a pump too. I'm also building relationships at 3 a.m., but not at the stock market. John Grandforce, Niels, you naughty boy. Okay, good morning, everyone. Inti Carb, Oscar K. Good morning, everyone. Oscar K. Welcome to Oscar K. How are you this morning? I think, are you a new guest? Are you a new guest? Oh, by the way, lots of stuff to tell you today. Lots of stuff. Have you all seen today the very first red badge is out? I was the very first member on my channel, followed by Bill. The 2-year badge is out today. So if you've been a member the entire time and you've kept your history, you will be in for the red badge. I just put a post on it a little while ago. Let me share it. Let me share with you. Look, see, can you see here? I put a post on X. My badge just turned red. So let's see who gets red first. It'd probably be Bill. He's got gold right now. He will be turning red, and then it goes scarlet. Which is the YouTube badge, which is 3 years. There you go. There you go. Right. Few more notifications just come in this morning. What's going on? We've got our fan of the year. Who's it going to be? We'll be doing that soon. Who's it going to be this year? Who's going to win the trophy? Get their name engraved or printed. I like to say engraved. It sounds better. But anyway, Litecoin is at a nice buy level. I can't say. Sensei could answer that. The phone line is open. If Sensei wants to phone in, he can. This is the interview screen. Sensei wants to call in, or any of our members want to call in, you can be live on the show here in this spot, just here. All right. Good morning, Martin and all. Lim, Derek. Good morning, Lim. You're amazing. Thank you for being so genuine. Jada Stick. Thank you. Do you know what? It's easy. It's easy telling the truth. Just be easy. It's just easy. It's harder to lie. Just be confident in you yourself. Yeah, I mean, just be a good person. It's easy. It's harder to be a bad person. It's harder to make up stuff. You have to remember what you said. Amazon sinks as TikTok eyes 17.5 billion shopping businesses on Amazon's turf. Good morning, everyone. Ed Nevius is here. Most of all, the things to click on won't work for me. I don't have most of all of the media to do, and it keeps starting over. And if I try, I click, so I give up. Bill? I'm not really understand what that means, but I'm sorry you're having some difficulties, mate. You seem to be doing all right. You seem to be doing very well, actually. Anyway, good morning to you. I'm down today. I hope it will change when the stock market opens. Right, let's have a look. I'm up today again. I was down yesterday for a rare occasion, but we're up again. We're beating the market. We're at 73.5. Oops, daisy, I didn't show you there. There you go. 73.6, I beg your pardon. All looking good. I think it's overvalued, but not buying either. Easy 180 price target only for the cash flow. I'm out of Apple, waiting for a drop between 160 and 160 at 70 mark. Absolutely right. But you see, rather than wait for the drop, I'm buying the S&P. It's better value because if you buy the S&P, you are picking up Amazon and Apple without buying it, but you're protected by the other stocks which are going to grow into it. So for me, the better value is just load up on the S&P. Forget the individual stocks right now on the mega caps. They don't make any sense. They very rarely do, actually, but there you go. The Brazilian ETF, EWZ, looks very bullish in the long chart. Dragonfly, thank you very much for that. Good morning, family. Morning, John Granford. Disregard any comment. That was not me. I was trying to say I apologize. Jason Fallinger, what do you apologize for? What have you got to... You apologize to no one. You're one of our top members. You are in top contender for Fan of the Year. Jason Fallon, by the way, has likes everything on Facebook, everything on Instagram, everything, not Instagram, I beg your pardon, everything on Facebook, everything on X, everything on YouTube. What's the other one he's done? There's another one he's done as well. What is it? X. Facebook said that. There's another one. Can't remember what it is now. Anyway, a man from Earth. Good morning. Hey, John. Good morning. Not me. Bill, you will have a gold. You will have a red badge soon. You've got a gold badge right now. Queen of Cell Braiding also will have a red badge soon. Mine came in today, so yours could come in anytime. Breakfast Bar and Go DB. Good morning. All right, Breakfast Bar. Let's go into the Breakfast Bar this morning. What do we see in the breakfast bars this morning? Okay, let me just put a like on that. Okay, breakfast bar. Let's have a look. Here we go. Mike's in. Oh, there you go. Now, Mike, can you see? It's got his name on it. Mike won the trophy last year. It's got Mike 2022. And there you go. So, let me put a like on that. I was forgetting how to do it. I was looking at it thinking, I don't remember how to do this anymore. All right. That's not a good sign, is it? All right. I've also got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready? You want to see this, don't you? I know you want to see it. We've got another new badge. Is Paul Stone here? Is Paul Stone in the chat? Is Paul Stone here? You ready? We've got another new badge. Another new picture. There he is. There is Paul Stone with his mug. So the bottom area is now zipped up. Oh, hang on a minute. That one there needs to move to the right. Let me do that. There we go. I think that's right now. There we go. I don't know how that was out. Let me go back one. Zach say, how did that move? How did that move? I think Wade Van Eysen broke it. There you go. That's about right. There you go. Slight adjustment. So there we go. We've got space for one more picture above my head. In fact, we've got space for maybe, yeah, we can replace all of these because we want some new ones. So we've got space for more pictures if you want to send them in, all right? We've got more space to do that. So make sure that you send them in if you want to be on the Rogues Gallery, all right? And there's more features coming as well. Lloyd Entertainment, good morning to you. Chris C, hope everyone is well. Good morning to you. Do you know that you have the same face of James Spader, superstar on the Blacklist? Yeah, I've been told that. Yeah, I'm James Spader from the Blacklist. Pooh Chicken Pottery, Dawn Potterers from Scotland's here. Have you seen her badge? She's got a badge. She's got a badge. Got a flag. New window for spaceflight opens January 26. Yes, we know. Now then, we are going to be there. We are going to be live at Virgin Galactic Spaceport tomorrow. Actually in person tomorrow. Howdy, we lost liquidity grab in space. It's going to go sideways until February. No, I don't agree. He was Eminem once also. Yes, best live channel in the world, says Mike. Thank you. Right. Have you seen this? Very, very important. Here we go. Have you seen this? I'm running a poll at the moment on X. All right. Several polls, actually. Got tomorrow. Here it is. Tomorrow, we're going to be live from Spaceport America, Virgin Galactic. I put a post out 6 hours ago. Yeah, about 2 o'clock in the morning. Yep, told you I was up. I wish to do something special for my members. Spaceport America tomorrow. It's not about views or subscribers. It's never been about views or subscribers or me making money. It's always been about you, the members, my audience. That's what this is about, right? It's not about views or subscribers. It's about you members who have supported our channel. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. The live shows would not be possible without the members. So we're talking about a live show. Should the live event be members only? You can vote members only or general public. We're going to be live at Virgin Galactic tomorrow. Let me give you the link. Copy the link. There you go. There is my X account. You can vote on it. Okay? You decide. You decide. Let me drop it into Kick. Let me drop it into Rumble. So, there you go. There you go. Let me give it to everybody on LinkedIn as well. What do you want to do? Facebook. And obviously no point putting it on X because we're already on X. The poll's on X. Kind of obvious, right? Anyway, there you go. So you decide. Okay? 19 votes. General public or members only for the live stream. Tomorrow morning. This time tomorrow. Martyn, what reviews are you doing this week? The next review is for we're doing 2 today. We're doing Lilium NV, Lim Derrick. Lim Derrick. Is Lim Derrick here in the show? Let's have a look. Lim Derrick, doing your review today. Are you here? Patrick G, I'm doing Dish. Patrick G, are you here? Doing yours today as well. Are you here? There we go. Now then, is G Corey here? G Corey, is he here? No. Antonio, yes, Lim Derrick is here. Great, thank you, Lim. Antonia De La Cruz, are you here? No. Brian? Is Brian here? No. Is Pat M here? No. Is R3A here? No. And Michelle here. Because I've got all your reviews. No. Okay. Patrick G, I'm here. Yep. You'll be getting your review today. Okay. So there we go. That's what we're doing today. And then that takes care of all the ones that have jumped to the top with super chats. It was said to me, why don't I start charging for the reviews? That way, I would have less to do, whatever. No, I've always said, and it always will be, free for everyone. It's a member's perk. You don't pay for the review. I do it for free. You might have to wait, but it's free. I'm basically the NHS. All right? You get it for free. You don't pay for it. I give it to you for free. If you want to get it to the top and done straight away, then you can. That's perfectly fine. But no, I'm not going to do that. I know I've got a lot to do, but I'll just work harder. It's not about reducing the service. You like it, I'm providing it. That's it. I'll just work harder. Maybe I could get Sensei to do some. That'd be better. You'll have chart information. There you go. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Keaton S is here. What if they don't let you again? What if they don't let you in again? What if they don't let me? Keaton S, how are you? Not seen you for a while. What do you mean? What if they don't let me in? How are they not letting me in? What do you mean? How are they not going to let me in? Where's Keaton S on the list? Where's Keaton S? I saw him pop up a second ago. Where did he go? Keaton S. Oh, there he is. Yeah. What if they don't let me in? I'm not quite sure I know what you mean by that, but anyway, all next week. Next week, well, the next one after that will be tomorrow, and that's Tui. And Oma wants Indy if I can speak to them on a show, because I can't confirm what the stocks are because they haven't been into so they keep missing their slots. Jordan Allen, MRTN, Martin Transport, that could be tomorrow, and James 007 TMF, those could be tomorrow. Jordan Allen's got Novo as well, so there's a couple tomorrow that could happen as well if Patrick, Moritz and Oma aren't here, because I can't confirm what they want. All right. Okay, Patrick G, good day. Good morning, everyone. So more people in employment is bad for the markets. More people in employment is Jordan Allen. Why are Wall Street so short-sighted? Surely more people in work support soft landing narrative regardless whether or not it's inflationary. No, it doesn't work that way, Jordan, though, does it, mate? Lim Derek, I'm here. Do you have any thoughts on Diageo? No need for a full review, I think. No, I don't have any thoughts on it. I'd need to do a full review if I gave my opinion, so I don't know. When was the best time to purchase space again? When is the best time? It's not about the best time, is it? It's about, is it undervalued? Well, it was undervalued where I bought it, which is why I bought 4,000 shares. Is it undervalued now? Well, it's undervalued now from the point of view of what we're going to get in Delta, which you know what, even though it's at 18 months away, it's going to be way ahead of that. The markets are always ahead of the news. They're going to be reporting where Delta is on the next earnings. So basically, I bought it at $1.50 to $2. That's what I said was the value of the company with the cash on the books. Now you're paying for some of the goodwill of what we're about to get. So it's still very, very good value at $2.32. Is it the best price? Who the hell cares? You're not buying it at $2.32 to go to $2.30, are you? You're buying it at $2.32 to go to $50, $100. I mean, wouldn't you be doing that? So does it really matter? Remember, a year from now, people are going to pay $10 and $20 and $30 for this stock. That's going to happen. So does it matter whether you buy it at 232 or 210? Well, of course you want the best price, but it's still value right now, as long as you believe in the business and the concept and the management, which I do. If you don't, then you shouldn't be buying it. But anyway, that's my thoughts on that. Please tell me on Faraday Futures, I think you mean. It's a members perk, I'm afraid. I can only review stocks for members. If you want to look at my recent review, I have just done a Faraday Future review. So you can, I've already done it. If you want a new one, I can do one for you, but it is a members perk. If you go onto the homepage, and if you go to the upcoming live streams, sorry, I beg your pardon. Ignore me, I'm talking rubbish. The reviews, alpha spread here. All right. Okay. Then you look down here and you will see, scroll down. What was it you were looking for? Faraday Future. All right. Faraday Future. Scroll down. Just a few weeks ago, I did a review and explained why I bought some. Analysis, Archer, Farfetch, GoPro, Medifast, Arbor, Uber. I just missed it. You can actually type in Martyn Lucas Investor, Faraday, and you'll find it that way as well. You don't have to scroll down the list. There you go. There, look. See? There is the video. I can give you a link to it if you like. Share. Copy link. There you go. Let me just make sure I've got the right one. Let me drop it in there. Yes, it is. I'll have to let that run now, otherwise I damage the video. Right, there we go. There is the link if you want to get that. Okay. All right. Okay. Now then. Hi, Craig. Welcome. 20 minutes ago, Queen of Self-Braiding. Are you reviewing SGD? Let me have a quick look. SGD. Let me scroll down the list. No, I am not. So you can add it to the list if you wish to do so. Why would they not let their marketing manager in? Yeah, still no joy on that. But don't worry, I'm still talking to the investor relations team. Let me explain the difficulty I've got at the moment. As you know, I want to interview Richard Branson. That's easy. That's going to happen, right? I've got no doubt about that. I'm building relationships with different people to make that happen, right? I'm not concerned about that. It's going to take some time, but I will interview Richard Branson. I'll interview all the CEOs, all right? That's part of the CEO series. The difficulty with getting a job at Virgin Galactic, which I still want to do, is because of that I'm an investor. So I'm trying we're trying to work out how I can be, well, not a investor. I'm not going to sell all my shares, but I mean, whatever's best for this channel, really, whatever's best for you. If I have to sell all my shares to be able to work there, to present you with better information, I will. I don't really care. I mean, it's about what's the best for the channel, what's best for my audience. But at the end of the day, that's where we are right now. A few CEOs who I've spoken to online have said you're an investor in the company. So there's some difficulty there which has to be resolved. I have to find ways to deal with that. Anyway, why would they not let their marketing manager in, Kevin Schools? You are not the NHS. You are not mismanaged, and you are not heading for privatization. Hopefully you remain public, Chris C. Okay, fair enough then. Hey, hi, hello, good morning, everyone. I appreciate that. NHS uses Palantir, so you might as well sort the list out. There you go. I like it. Lucio Cincinnati, Lloyd, the dip was around 148. Thank you for that information. Good morning, Stephen. Please, tell me, Faraday, upcoming 1 month target. I can't review the stock again. As I say, it's a member's perk. You've got to, I've got to focus on the members. There's only so much I can do during these live shows. You bought the same company at 250 months ago. Why isn't it undervalued now? Is it because the earnings were bad at 250? What do you mean? I own the shares and I traded the shares when I owned it higher, but then I settled on the stock when it was undervalued, when it was under the value of the cash on the books. That's why I don't trade it anymore. If you remember, I used to trade it in and out to lower my average, to take my seed money out, to make money from Virgin Galactic, no matter what the value is. Now it was undervalued. That's when I bought the 4,000 shares, and that's why I'm not going anywhere. Wade Van Eysen. Good morning, Wade Van Eysen. How are you this morning? Lovely to see you. Lovely to have you on the show. Wade Van Eysen. There's Wade Van Eysen just there. Look, there he is. Hello all. James Lexon. Same thing for you, sir. If you want a full review of a stock, that's the only way I can give information like that. You need to be a member. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member. There is the membership link. It works on all devices apart from an iPhone. And on iPhone, it works as well. It just means that it has to be the browser and then request a desktop site. All right. Leah can, Leah can hold the shares instead, just like Pelosi does. That's good. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's not completely impossible, right? So, Leah, do you want to own all my Virgin Galactic shares? That's a good idea. Martin, Dish merged with EchoStar Corporation, ticker SATs on December. Can you analyze SATs? Can I analyze SATs? Yes, but I can't do both. What do you mean? What, instead of Dish? Or would you rather me do Dish? So I'm going to copy that comment for a moment. What do you mean? You'd rather me do Dish or SATs? Or what? What does he want me to do? Thanks. Yes, things could be repetitive if that happened. Oh, yeah, you did. Makes sense. There you go. Makes sense. Morning all. Morning, Randy. It always makes sense when you get the whole picture. All right. Okay. Hi, very good morning, King AV 2020. Good morning to King AV. All right. Now then. We got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Got to make a quick video. Oh, instead of Dish. All right. Instead of Dish. Okay, you want something different. Patrick G doesn't want Dish. Hang on a minute. He wants SATs instead. SATs. What is the full name? What is the full name? EchoStar Corporation. Okay. Got it? Got it? Okay, that's fine. You can have whatever you want. It's your review. EchoStar Corporation. Okay. Okay. Now then. King AV 2020. I have a small question. Fire away. My girlfriend's father worked at Virgin Galactic. He switches jobs all the time. Boeing, Gulfstream. He is an aerospace engineer, so I can vouch they are definitely working on something. Dragonfly. Well, I should think they're working on something. I think we've established that. But yeah, let's hope they're working on something. That would be good. Anyway, come on, vote on this. Tomorrow, we're live from Virgin Galactic. There is the poll. There is the poll. It's not about views. It's not about subscribers. It's about quality. It's about my members. It's about those that support the live shows. Tomorrow, to thank my members, shall the live stream from Virgin Galactic Spaceport be a members-only live stream. Only members can watch the live stream. Members only or general public. If tsunami will come again, what happened to the market? If a tsunami will come again, what will happen to the market? Which market is that? Thank you, Patrick G. You're very welcome. Good day. All indices are green so far. Looking fine. What do you mean if a tsunami... I mean, where are you? What part of the world are you from? See, a tsunami isn't going to come to the United States until the San Andreas Fault breaks apart and California drops in the sea, which could happen at any point, by the way. But so we're talking about the New York Stock Exchange today, but then it's affected by global macro conditions, of course. So where are you in the world? The stream needs to be public. It will bring investors to the channel. It's not about my channel. It's not about subscribers. It's not about viewers. It's about my members who provide the live streams. Not just members. We need to gauge the feedback across the board. Martin, I know this isn't a political show, but what do you think about American politics as a whole? Well, obviously, I'm not going to come down on either side of the political argument because I can't vote anyway. I'm from the United Kingdom, right? So I'm not going to express what my political view is in the United States because, quite honestly, I don't have one. Honestly, I don't have one. I don't understand the American system. It seems to be a system where you can just buy your way to the top. And remember, I'm talking out of actual experience here. So essentially, let me explain for those that missed it. Many years ago, about 12, 15 years ago, I would have been a member of parliament. I was asked to stand as a Conservative MP, which effectively, I suppose, is the equivalent to Republican in the United States. I suppose. It's not quite the same, but anyway. I was asked to stand as a Conservative MP. And I had the support, and I would have won because my seat won, constituency, that's what you call it in the United Kingdom. My seat won. However, I decided not to stand. I said, I'm too busy. I'm touring the world. I want to gain more experience and tour the world, learn more about the world, and then come back as an older man and then maybe do it. Since then, things have changed. But anyway, I would have been an MP, a member of parliament in the United States. I guess you call them senators or whatever. But I decided not to stand, and my seat won in my area. I had the support and the backing. I would have got the votes, but I decided not to. So in the United Kingdom, anyone can become prime minister. Anyone. A regular person, if he's got an honest voice and people trust you and like you and vote for you, you can generate a buzz, and you can if you're popular enough, you can work your way up and you can become the prime minister. However, in the United States, a regular man can't become the president. You got to be a billionaire. You got to buy your way in. It's all about money. It's a very different structure. I don't understand the American system. It just seems to be everyone's fighting everybody. People get very, very angry. It seems to me people get very violently angry. In England, you've got the Conservative Party and the Labour Party, which is like the Republican and the Democratic Party, right? The two main parties. There are more, but that's the two main parties. I have never, in all the time that I was involved in studying politics and around political people, I have seen people that don't like the other side, right? But I've never seen hatred towards the other side. Like in America, you've got people that, want to shoot each other or get rid of one president or the other. You've got very angry people on both sides who want to get rid of the other side, like really vehemently, really angry. Whereas in the United Kingdom, you might not like the Labour Party or you might not like the Conservative Party, but I don't hear anyone going around with banners outside Westminster, wanting to shoot or completely, do violent things to the opposition, like what has happened with Donald Trump and so on and so forth. We don't have that, thank God. I don't understand the American system. It seems to be all about money. And I know this firsthand because when I came to the United States and I applied for my green card, and remember, I've toured all over the world, right? I have got a bank account in Europe. I've got a bank account in Norway, a bank account in Canada, the United Kingdom, bank account in the United States. So I have connections all over the world. I have addresses and bank accounts all over the place, right? So I have some experience of the system, all right? When I came to America and I applied for a green card to marry Leah, I actually pulled up the government website, and it was the only time I've ever seen this, of all the places I've traveled to get a green card and citizenship in the United States. It has nothing to do with being a decent person or can provide a service or anything. You can buy your way in. If I forget what the number was now, it was either 100,000 or 1 million. I can't remember what the number was, but there was a number, and you can go and check this. It's on the United States government website. You can buy your way in to the United States. You can buy citizenship. So I don't know if you're a drug lord or something and you've got $1 million, you just buy your way in. Honestly, I looked at that. I said to Leah, look at this. We can get the green card in 5 minutes. I've just got to buy in and say I'm going to employ 5 people or something. It was something like that. And I couldn't believe it. I thought, seriously? That's how you get into the United States. Anyway, that is a real thing. That really happened to me. I decided not to do that. I just went and did the green card. And I want to say as well, when everybody talks about the borders, I can't comment on the politics of it, as I say, not one side or the other in America. But I will tell you, there may be people who walk over the borders and do all the wrong things, but I did the right thing. And it cost me a bloody fortune. I went to so many meetings. I had to pay so much money. I had to have an attorney. My attorney cost me like $5,500. I had to have, you wouldn't believe how many injections. I had to have all kinds of injections, vaccinations. I had to jump through hoops. And let me tell you, that's right. That's how it should be. I shouldn't be able to come to this country, your country, if you are an American, and I shouldn't be able to buy my way in, and it shouldn't be easy either. Not at all. It shouldn't be easy. It should be difficult, and it was expensive. But I opted for the route of just going to apply for it because I'm a decent human being, at least I hope so. And that's what I did. And it cost me a lot of money. I wouldn't have paid to buy my way in because that just seems immoral. And I'm not just going to give somebody a load of money just because I haven't got the patience to do it properly. So anyway, does that answer your question? Does that answer your question? Are we green today? Yep, 100%. My portfolio will be green. I don't know about anybody else's. Martyn, can I call in tomorrow? I would like to talk to you about investments with you and I would get your thoughts. I'm trying to get more a balanced portfolio. Ty Redmond, yes, you can call in. Yes, you can call in tomorrow. It's the Friday phone in. Yes, you can call in tomorrow. In between our live broadcasts from Virgin Galactic, of course. But yes, of course. Good luck, everyone. Get them. We've got 4 minutes to go. If Boris Johnson wants to be a USA president, I will take him. He's hilarious. Hi, it's me, Oscar. I am using second Google account now. Oscar K. All right, Oscar K. Thank you very much indeed. Good to have you here. You should just run across the border. Yeah, that's what I should have done. They would have given you 450,000. Perfect, Martin. Vote Martin for Prime Minister. I can say that. The people will learn how to invest at 7 years old. I want to be part of it. Flipping it, guys. Hang on a minute. Steady on. Right, okay. We've got 3 minutes to go. Let's get ready. 3 minutes to go. How many likes have we got? Right, we need some likes. This is abysmal. Smash the like button.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
99 watching. 2 minutes to go. We need 50 likes.
You've been knocked down and got up again.
4. Let's refresh it. 39. We're not starting the show until we get to 50. We need 50 likes. Only 50% of you are signed on to Google. There's 100 watching. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. 39. We're not going to start the show until we get 50 likes. 3, 2, 1. 47. 3 more likes and then we'll start the show. 100 people watching. 50% signed in. That's nearly everybody. 47. 2 minutes to go before the market opens. Get ready for a great morning. 3, 2, 1. 51. There it is. Woohoo! Great stuff. Thank you very much. Love it.
Get ready for verse 2.
Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it like that. Okay, let's get ready for the bell. 2 minutes to go. Is it going to be a green day? We are in Virgin Galactic tomorrow. We're having a vote on our poll. We're going to be in Virgin Galactic tomorrow at the spaceport. Will it be a members-only video? A members-only live stream? Here is the link. 1.5 minutes to go. Vote in our poll. Will Virgin Galactic tomorrow, live from the spaceport, be a members-only live stream? I will make it members only. I'm very happy. It's not about me. It's not about the viewers. It's about the members that provide this live stream. 1 minute to go. Vote on this. Here we go. Just a few seconds to go. Get ready. Green day today.
Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform.
There it goes. 15 seconds to go. Beat Warren Buffett. Beat the S&P in 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. It's Thursday, January the 4th. Where are we going today? Let's have a look. There's the portfolio. The Roth IRA is green. The overall portfolio is just in the red. 73,333. And let's go. We're going down at the moment on Palantir. My overall portfolio is just hovering around. We have to go red for the moment because it is red. Can he hear the music? Can he hear the music? Can I hear the music? What do you mean? Can I hear the music? Can you hear the music? I don't know. Virgin Galactic, here we go again. Selling off this morning. Where are we going right now? Virgin Galactic, we've got some big news coming out today for you. Virgin Galactic's going down. Final capitulation move. Palantir is going down. Gold is going down. The S&P is going down 1.5% now overall. Amazon now is down 2% today. I told you it was overbought. Amazon and Apple, ridiculously priced. I'm not buying it. I'm out of it. I made money on it. My defensives are going up. Coca-Cola, look, we're up now 8.5%, just under $1,000. I bought the bottom of it. J&J, Jim Cramer talks rubbish. I'm over $1,000 up now. $1,000 up, 4%. Jim Cramer said get rid of it. He was wrong, and now he's saying, oh, perhaps I should buy it now. So Jim Cramer talks absolute flipping rubbish. Kenvue is going down, up at the moment. But Chevron, 3% up now. I'm waiting for Stephen Lewandowski to tell me to sell my oil. There we go. It didn't take that long, did it? We're green again. I'm going to turn the studio green because we will have a green day today. There's no doubt about it. And we may even hit all-time highs today of $76,000. So there we go. Looking very, very nice indeed. The S&P come back up as well. There you go, 73.5. We could easily hit an all-time high today. Very, very nice indeed. Now then, I'm waiting for Stephen Lewandowski to give me the shout when to sell my Chevron. Now then, we've got Tesla. I was trying to buy Tesla below 220 to lower my average. It's not gone there. It doesn't matter because it's a 10x. It's a 10x over the next 5 to 10 years. So I've got enough. I've got $60,000 or $70,000 worth of Tesla sitting right there in the future. I don't need to buy any more and misbalance my portfolio. I will buy more if it goes below 228 or lowers my average. Because I've got enough. I've got enough to reach my goal. I want to get $1 million portfolio now and 10 million subscribers. That's part of our plan. What we will do, we're aiming for to do that, and we will do that. Look at the portfolio now. Look, it's very green. Very, very nice indeed. Everyone got a bit fearful the last couple of days. A lot of you I know messaged me and said they've sold out. They've got out the market. Now they're trying to find a place to get back in again. Martyn, you should play a piano while it's lit on fire, while floating in the air, rising like a phoenix. I love that. That's a great idea. How much do you have to pay to get a USA green card? How much do you have to pay to get a USA green card? Well, it cost me about $6,000 because I had to do... You don't have to pay $6,000. You don't have to pay for an attorney. But if you do an attorney, it's a lot easier, right? I had an attorney and it cost about $6,000. You got to pay about $2,500 just for the documentation, I think it is. But you can do it yourself. But I did it with an attorney. It's about $6,500. I've got a green card, which I'm now going to turn into a citizenship at some point when I can get round to it. Anyway, Walmart looking good. Everything's looking great now. Now then. So everything's looking great. There's no issue, right? We know everything's fine. Let me do something for you now, right? I've got to make 2 videos. So let me do that now, right? Let me bring this up. Okay, here we go. Right. So it's 1 hour. We've got 2 reviews to do, and we've got a Virgin Galactic special, and we've got the state of the economy. Oh, yeah. 1 hour. 1. And this is inflation. Inflation. Okay. Here we go. Don't want that. That's what I need. Okay, let's turn. Okay. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Where are we going now? What's your strategy for 2024? In this very brief video, I'm going to tell you exactly where I think 2024 is going. I made my moves before it started, and I'm very happy so far. Are you happy? In this video, I'm also going to give you a chance to win $100 in cash, completely free. Free to enter, free for all. And also, tomorrow, we're going to be live at Virgin Galactic Spaceport as well. And I think it's going to be a members-only live stream to thank my members who have built this channel from the ashes of the Phoenix. So we're going to explain all of that in this video. Okay, so as you can see, my portfolio is looking pretty good, right? It's up 40% over the last 3 months. It actually was a lot higher than that, 50%. We had a trim off when the new year started. Everybody got fearful, except institutions didn't get fearful. A lot of retail investors did. Capitulation is occurring. Many retail investors are jumping off ship and getting all fearful. I thought everything was going to go up in the new year. Well, it is if you're in the right positions. Amazon's too expensive. Apple's too expensive. I've been saying consistently for ages. I consistently beat Warren Buffett and consistently beat the market. They're all too expensive, but I did buy the S&P, which has confused a lot of people because isn't that the biggest part for Apple and Google? They play the biggest part in the S&P. They do, but it's the smaller mega caps, the mid-sized caps that are going to control the S&P over the next few months. And if you're in any doubt whatsoever if the interest rates are going to come down, let me share this information I just put together for you this morning. This is what's going to happen. Interest rate will go as low as 3%, according to the new prediction from leading economists. Not one or two, several. So before I give you any more information, smash the like button if you smashed it, because it really is good news today, even if you don't think it feels like it. When it doesn't feel like it is when it is, because the institutions act very, very differently. And I'll tell you something, I've been up all night. In fact, I was up during the night, most of the evening, talking to people, learning the sentiment of the market. This is me on StockTwits. You can learn a lot here if you join me on StockTwits. You get a sentiment. You can see, look, 1:28 a.m. I was up all during the night talking to people, and let me tell you, you can learn a lot of things talking to people on StockTwits. Now, you'll never see me ever in Reddit. You won't know I'm there, but I'm there just watching. It's very, very important message this is. Make sure that you surround yourself by the right people, but be aware of the rubbish and the nonsense going on because it tells you the sentiment of the market. And I gain a lot of information from you. Now, during the night, I'm talking to people about what's going on. And a lot of people talking absolute nonsense, absolute rubbish, to be quite honest with you. And it gives me a good indication of what's going on. Anyway, enough of that. Surround yourself by great people. Surround yourself by people that think like an institution. Surround yourself by rich people and you will become one. It's obvious. Surround yourself by clowns that live in dark rooms on Reddit and you'll be a clown in a dark room on Reddit. Anyway, let me focus on this important news. A main focus, I just said that anyway. A main focus for us today, and no doubt throughout the year, has been interest rates, specifically the direction they'll go in. Now, I'm making this in a live video. Again, all my videos are unedited live. I made a prediction this morning my portfolio would be green. Let me see if it is. The bell has just gone a few moments ago. Let me have a look. Yes, no surprise, my portfolio is green. Many parts of the economy are down. Apple is down. Amazon is down. I bought the S&P, so why am I not down? Because my portfolio is balanced, and I said I'd be up this morning, and I am. Anyway, and this morning, we've had 2 new forecasts from leading economists, and they spell good news for anyone looking for a mortgage or coming up for renewal, which is great. Right? Because if the rates come down, it means businesses can reinvest and build their businesses. And it also means rates are going to come down for the overall economy. It's good news, okay? Let me just read this to you. Paul Dales, chief UK economist at Capital Economics, said that his company thinks that the bank rate will go as low as 3% in 2025. Now, this is really important date. Really important date. People go, that's 2025. The economy and the market are two completely different things. It's male and female, man and woman, Mars and Neptune, all right? Positive and negative, yin and yang, fish and chips. They go together pretty well, don't they? I don't know. Anyway, the point I'm making is the economy is way behind the market. Why is it behind the market? Because the market is investors. Yeah, there's some people on Reddit and stock twits, and they don't make any difference. They don't do anything. They're insignificant. Hang on a minute. We started a revolution. We did GameStop. GameStop was irrelevant, completely irrelevant to the overall economy of things. It doesn't even picture it doesn't even create a ripple on the pond. The point is, the economy is behind. It's lagging the stock market, and the reason for this is the Fed and in England, the Bank of England, and so on and so forth, put pressure on the markets to slow down business, to bring down inflation, to cool the markets down, so on and so forth, because prices are getting too high, and so on and so forth. So the man on the street feels the pain. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. It's always been the same and always will be. So think like a rich person rather than think like a poor person, right? Because you'll just be a poor person if you think that way. That's just how it is. You can't change it. So consequently, right now, people are feeling pain, right? Everything is expensive and things are getting more expensive. When we talk about rates coming down, inflation coming down, it means the rate of the inflation is coming down. It doesn't mean costs are coming down. And guess what, folks? They never will come down. They never will come down ever again. Prices what you pay today are never coming down. You're never going to buy an iPhone for $300 at the latest iPhone. It ain't never going to happen. Once prices go up, history dictates they stay up. They just stop growing or they grow at a slower pace. Okay, so the pain is now coming. Apple is in trouble. Amazon's in trouble. People aren't buying as much. Blah, 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 blah. More debt. Da-da-da-da-da. All of that. But the economy is separate from the stock market. Because we know what comes next, rates come down, even though things are more expensive, people are going to start buying into the stock market, and it's planning where it's going to be in 6 months and a year from now. It's why I bought Virgin Galactic at $1.52, because at $1.52 it was undervalued, and I know where it's going to be when we get to Delta. Okay, it's going to be a $30, $40, $50 up to $100 stock, right? So that's where we're going. So let's just carry on with this a minute. Paul Dales, chief UK economist at Capital Economics, said his company thinks the bank rate will go as low as 3% in 2025, lower than its previous expectation of 3.25. Let's be absolutely clear. They don't know anything. They're just best guessing. However, I have the same information, except they have an ulterior motive, all right? All of these people, all these analysts at the banks, they all have their own agenda. I have no agenda at all. I know exactly, I'm very confident where the markets are going. I've been right consistently now for nearly 2 years, and I believe that the rates will come down in the spring and the summer. I said that last spring, a year ago, and I've been saying the same thing. However, analysts will always say certain things to manipulate their agenda. So, and banks have a very specific agenda. Banks aren't there to help you or lower your rates. Banks are businesses. They're not there to help anybody, right? Contributing to this analysis as a softer than expected figures on both CPI inflation and wage growth released in December. The Bank of England is likely to drop rates sooner than previously envisioned, Mr. Dale says, in June rather than November. What did I say? Spring to the summer. And now they're going, oh, I think we're going to do it in June. I've been saying that for a year. The current rate, of course, is 5.25. Goldman Sachs has gone further, believing that another bank, believing the first cut will come in May. Well, there's a surprise. I said this a year ago. In a move, it says it will save households $11 billion by the end of next year. So that they're trying to emphasize how they're going to save you money. The bank is coming to your rescue. The bank is not coming to your rescue. The bank will make even more money and things will still seem expensive. It's still going to be very, very hard for the consumer, but for the investor, it's great. And if you don't spend your time in Reddit and places like that telling everyone the world's going to come to an end and everyone should jump off the nearest bridge, you would be in the market. I am in on margin at $50,000 at 8%. I'm all in. Couldn't be more in. And I'm not concerned at all. Anyway, the Wall Street Investment Bank believes policymakers will begin cutting rates by a quarter of a percentage point every meeting from May in a bid to shore up the economy. It said the cutting will continue. Again, the economy is not the stock market. It will help the economy, and the stock market is already going to boom because of it. All right. Some of it's already priced in, but a continual rate isn't. All right. It said the cutting will continue until rates hit 3% in May 2025. Do you know how soon that is and how good that is for us, for Virgin Galactic investors? Because they're all about the debt. Next Era Energy, Enphase Energy, all my big positions are all about the debt. So this is why I'm in those positions. Money markets are predicting the Bank of England will begin cutting rates from May, with bets implying rates will be cut to 3.75 by the end of the year. This is absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. Right, where are we? Are we still green? We're going to get a bit of a mid-morning dip, I would imagine. My portfolio should stay green, though. There we go. We're still green. My Roth IRA is green. And my balance is $73.5, all from $5,000 just a couple of years ago. No options, no shorting stocks, no taking mega gambles, no mega risks. What is my portfolio? Let me share with you my whole portfolio before we end this video, and then tell you about how you can win $100 and what we're going to do tomorrow for the Virgin Galactic special. All right, so let's have a look at it. Bitcoin. All of my crypto is out on my wallet. It's not in here. I still believe it's going to go down before it goes up, but I've bought it at 15,000. It doesn't live here. It lives on my wallet. J&J. J&J is still the very, very best stock you can own right now. 100%. 100%. And I put my money where my mouth is. I've got $26,000 of J&J at 8% margin. Jim Cramer talks rubbish. He said it was going down, and now he's going, oh, actually, maybe it's $200. The guy talks rubbish. He's there to get you to watch TV. That's it. J&J is still a very, very good value stock to own. I also went all in. I've got $20,000 over my two positions on my Roth and my main account. This is my main account. I'm up now 8.65 on Coca-Cola. I bought the bottom. Very obvious. Very simple numbers. Just run the analysis. You work it out yourself. It was oversold. I bought it. It's still a good value at this price. Virgin Galactic, of course, we know Virgin Galactic is going to get a short squeeze. We know it's going to $100. At least I do, which is why I've got 4,000 shares. Kenview, I'm all in. Robinhood, 35% in. I'm not selling any. It's a 4x. Tesla, I'd love to buy some more, but I've got enough. I've got 29 shares. It's enough. It's a 10x in 5 to 10 years. McDonald's, everyone told me you're overpaying for McDonald's. The people that tell me I'm overpaying for McDonald's tend to live in Reddit, tend to live on StockTwits. They haven't got a clue what they're talking about. McDonald's is land. You cannot overpay for American land. In fact, global land. All right? It went down 10%. I bought more, and now I'm up 7.67. Great dividend. You cannot overpay. You cannot overbuy for land. Just keeps on going up. Rocket Lab, this is all free money now. I own double this amount. I sold it. It's now all seed money. Enphase Energy is all about the loan. Is all about the finance deals, because people can't afford solar. They're going to get solar as soon as the rates go down. That's all seed money now. I owned it at 150. It went all the way down to 70. I got in a margin. I bought like 20 grand's worth of Enphase. When it went up, I trimmed it back to my seed money. It's all free money now. I even sold it for a wash, so I actually didn't pay any tax on it on paper because I was selling the higher stock, so I ended up on paper losing money, which is fantastic. Now I've got 64 shares of free money, and we're up, and that's going to be a 3x within 2 years. Next Era Energy, another best buy. Next Era Energy, I'm up. I was down 80% on it, kept buying. Another one of those is all about the interest rates, the debt position. Plug Power, well, Plug is good, but it's got a dodgy CEO. he upsets a few people. CVX, well, I listened to those flipping idiots on TV, told me to buy Chevron. They all talk nonsense on working lunch. They've all got agendas. And when I first started investing, I was listening to those people. I don't even turn the TV on anymore. I now do my own analysis, my own research, because I'm trying to build an audience, not sell an audience. There's a very different thing. I bought Chevron at the wrong time, but I identified the bottom. I went all in and reduced my position. Now I'm up on it, and I'll be selling that soon as well, and I'll be making a 10% profit on that. Walmart had a disastrous earnings. Everybody went, oh my God, it's all over for Walmart. What's going on? No, it wasn't at all. It was a terrible earnings, but the future is bright for Walmart. But you had to wait a couple of weeks for it all to settle. Once it settled, I bought Amazon, and now you can see I'm up, Walmart, I beg your pardon. I'm now up 4.9% in just a number of weeks. Very, very easy to make money on Walmart on earnings. If earnings is bad, projections are bad, everyone dumps it. But you have to then wait for the fallout. Inside trading goes on. You can see who's trading on the inside. I share all that information with you through my analysis. Microsoft is too expensive. Apple and Amazon, all too expensive. Why did I buy the S&P? They are a big part of it. I sold it. I sold all of those for 38% profit, trimmed it right back. They're up now, but I'm out of them. I'm now buying the S&P because the mid caps and small caps are what's going to make the money. I can then own them without owning them. I don't have to have all the rubbish because they're going down, but the other parts of the S&P are going up. So my S&P, my VOO, will stay about flat. And then when these companies like Amazon and Apple and Microsoft and Google and Meta come back into line and then start rising again, my S&P is going to go up very quickly. Much better than owning those individually. They're too expensive. If you overpay for anything, you'll always lose money. I think we've pretty much covered it. All right, so there we go. We're consistently beating Buffett. We're consistently beating the market. There's my position. And there is the news for the day. I hope that was of some use to you. I hope it was. And I wanted to bring you that news. And also I said, if you watch to the end of the video, I'll give you a chance to win $100 in cash. I'm giving $100 away. In fact, one of my members wants to help everybody, plus some merchandise. It's free to enter. It's free for all. Anyone can enter it. It's on our website, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Let me give you the link, the window for it. There it is. martynlucas.com/giveaway. Free to enter, free for all. If you want the newsletter, go to the links page and you'll get some extra free tickets. There are free tickets added every day. So it's designed to reward the prize to those that are not lazy. 90% of you are lazy and you won't be bothered to enter all of it. But there'll be a handful of people who do. And I'll tell you now, only 3 people have actually put the magic number that was in the newsletter, even though it went out to 355 people and 77% of you opened and read it. Only 3 of you entered the number. So there you go. It will reward those of you that are not lazy. Okay. And also tomorrow we are going to be with Sensei, who is here now. Here he is live in the chat. Good morning. I finished packing and on the road again. Good day to all. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Sensei is going to be live from Virgin Galactic Spaceport tomorrow. John Granforce says safe travels to Sensei. So this is the poll we're running. Do you want the live stream tomorrow to be for members only? It's not about subscribers for me. It's not about views. It's not about me making money on the channel. It's about providing my members with the best service. My members are what provides the live streams. Without your support, I wouldn't be here. I couldn't do the reviews. I couldn't go live 10 hours a day. I make no money at all from these live streams, about $6 a day. That's $8 a day. That's it. So I'm offering you the chance to vote, members only or general public, and I will honor your opinion. All right. So is it going to be a members only live stream tomorrow, live from Virgin Galactic? You decide. So give you all the links for all of that. Above my head, you'll find all the links. In the description, you'll find all the links. And over here, more videos and information about Virgin Galactic and reviews and whatever else I show over here. Anyway, as always, there you go. Stay in the market. Surround yourself by great people. Educate yourself from people. But you know what? It's still quite good at 3 o'clock in the morning to have a little troll around Reddit. Even though I don't exist, no one knows I'm there to see what's going on. Keep your friends close, your enemies closer. Education, knowledge is all you need. But do not, even though you know what's going on, don't make that your company. Make your company intelligent, wise people, not silly people that have got time to do nothing but troll around on Reddit. Now, I do, because it's my job. It's my job to find the information to bring to you. Don't you waste your time doing it, because you'll just become a troll and you'll become like one of those clowns. Anyway, Jim Cramer should live over there. As always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that'll go out in a short while. Okay. Portfolio is amazing today. Right. We've done that. There's one more thing I have to do. We've got 2 reviews to do today. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. Do beat be do beat do. Right. Okay. Let me read some of the comments. That's pretty cheap, $6,000. Looking on Reddit. I'm all invested today. No cash left. EOS, Fuel Cell, Standard Biotools, Fisker, Virgin Galactic. And this is absolutely true. Prices will never go back down. 15 years ago, I could buy 2 Snicker bars for $1 plus tax a day. Snicker bars, $2 plus tax. A Pepsi was now it's $4. There you go. What about Kenvue? Kenvue's fantastic. Kenvue's fantastic. Yes. Kenvue's great. Own them both. I own 50-50. Not 50-50. That's not true. I own about $10,000 worth of Kenvue and $25,000 of J&J. Yeah. CTR, I reported this. Yes. I'm not sure what that means, Queen. Repeat your comment. Hey, Martin, any idea on Enphase? I still have a few shares, but wanting to own more. You're never going to see it go down there again now. Never going to see it go down to $78 again now. I've got no chance. I would buy it. I would buy more at 100. I'm not going to buy any more because it's all free money now. I'm not going to overstretch myself. I'm already all in. But Enphase Energy is still a very good value stock here. It's the capitulation process. It's now institutions getting everyone to dump their stocks because it's about to go up big time. So that's what's happening right now. Time to add if you want. It's a good value, $118. How come you sold your fuel cell shares? To balance my portfolio and take some profit, that's all. Anyway, Merry Margin inbound, here he is. Space flying, didn't sell any shares the past 2 days, never selling any space. Hi, Zach, Virgin Galactic Spaceport, go. What is the target for Virgin Galactic next week? I don't have a target. I don't have a target for Virgin Galactic next week. Right, very, very quick video, an hour and a half. 1 hour 30. Got to put this out, okay? All right, now then. There's that. Okay, here we go. dear, oh dear. Let me get this done quickly. Okay. Virgin Galactic breaking news. I've not done a Virgin Galactic breaking news video for a while. Well, we've got good reason to do one today, and I'm going to give you some very exciting information. In this video, I'm going to give you some predictions of what I expect in the next few weeks, what we're doing tomorrow live from Virgin Galactic Spaceport, and how you can be involved in it tomorrow. Be there with me. Also, I've got a $100 cash giveaway as well. Very, very exciting. And the information about Paris Hilton. Yep, I've got all that coming up in this video. You don't want to miss it. Now then, I am going to give you the opportunity to get some tickets that could be the winning tickets for $100. Here's your first magic number. Your first magic number is 234. That's your first magic number. There'll be one more in the middle of the video and one at the end. Add them up together and you can then enter that into our giveaway. And you'll get a lot of tickets for doing this. And it could be just the tickets you need to win the $100 cash. All right, now Virgin Galactic. So smash the like button, because remember, if you don't smash, you don't win. I just made that up. If you don't smash, you don't win. Yep. Also, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you've rung the bell. Many of you don't ring the bell and you don't get notified. Members and those that ring the bell find out before anybody else about breaking stock prices. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. We have got a flight coming up very, very soon. And I was talking online at 3 o'clock in the morning last night on StockWits and, most importantly, X. And I was talking to somebody who I can't name. I can't do that. But I was talking to a pilot for Virgin Galactic. I was also talking to a few other people about Paris Hilton. Is she flying on the next flight? I cannot say any more than that, but it looks like so. We cannot confirm. I wish I knew more. I wish I could confirm more, but I don't honestly know. It looks like she is. Does it matter? Well, it does actually, because it will get a lot of publicity for the stock. Institutions couldn't care less. We've had capitulation the last couple of weeks, people selling off, getting fearful, and retail investors are running away again, and Virgin Galactic is going up now as institutions are buying back in. But they don't care about Paris Hilton. They couldn't care less. However, the global entertainment world will, when they watch it and start buying in and following what she's doing. Anyway, that's the first thing. The second thing is, we're going to be there live for the flight, of course. We're going to be covering that, so I'll give you the link for that. But we're also running a poll on X. Now, my channel is all about going live. I go live every day to support you. I don't make any money from live shows, about $8 a day, in fact. But I do it because 98% of my live viewers are members. All right. If it wasn't for the members, I couldn't do it. So I'm asking you to vote. Tomorrow, live from Virgin Galactic Spaceport, would you like the show, the live stream, to be for members only? And I will happily do that. It's not about views for me, subscribers, making money. It's about providing the best service so I can deal with all the questions. Everyone can phone in. And to do that, it's better if it's members only, to be honest. Otherwise, it gets too many people, trolls coming in, trying to say bad stuff and what have you. So there's the poll. Members only 35% or general public 64%. Please go and vote on that. Okay? All right. Fantastic. So there you go. You've got the choice to decide. So tomorrow, we're going to be live at Spaceport America. Your next number is 777. There you go. There's your middle number of the video, 777. There'll be one more at the end. Add them up together, and then you can enter the giveaway. Fantastic. All right. And I'm going to give maybe 1,000 tickets for this. I might give 1,000 tickets for this entry. All right. To win yourself $100 and some merchandise. All right. So there you go. So click above my head, and that will take you to the links and below in the description for the cash giveaway, which is martynlucas.com/giveaway. I'll give you the link for that now so you can see it on the screen. This is what it looks like. All right, this is the giveaway page. There you go. And I will tell you that out of 354 people that received my email, 77 opened it, the newsletter that is, and only 3 people entered the magic number. So you've got a really good chance of winning this giveaway. Really good chance. If you want the newsletter, it's under martynlucas.com/links, which is there. And I will send out the newsletter to anyone who subscribes the next 24 hours, and you'll get those tickets that were in last week's newsletter. All right? Fantastic. So there you go. That's where all the links are, above my head and down in the description. And over here, I'll put the flights and all the information with the live flight with Virgin Galactic and anything I get else around Virgin Galactic, Paris Hilton, whatever. So vote on the poll. Make sure that you vote on the poll. Join us tomorrow. It might be members only. I predict it will be a members only live stream just because it will be too busy. I don't mean members only chat. I mean members only live stream, live from Virgin Galactic Spaceport America. Should be a great day. Where do I see Virgin Galactic going? Still $100. Have I sold any shares? No. Am I going to sell any shares? No. Do I see it going up to $10 in the next month or so? Yes. Am I holding all the way? Yes. There you go. So join me for all those events up here, down here, over here, over here. Until next time, as always, go space. All right. Okay, then. Time for some reviews. What is the target for Virgin Galactic this week? I answered that. Hi, guy. This is Queen on another channel. Recipe read aloud. Hello, Queen. There you go. Paris Hilton will be in any ad. Will be in any ad. What does that mean? Carlos Martinez, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Excellent. Let me get my coffee. Leah just brought me a coffee in. That balance isn't right. It's going to update us. There you go. You all thought I lost my money then, didn't you, for a minute? You all thought I lost my money. Okay. Now then, we got to do some reviews. Okay. Where do you sign up? I just gave you all the information. That's martynlucas.com/links. Here. There's the website. It's below every single video. Links are everywhere. It's also on... It's everywhere, basically, right? And what you do is you put your email in there. You put your name if you want to. You put your date of birth if you want to. If you want a birthday video, if you want that as well. Don't have to. All the links for all my social media are here below. If you want the Alpha Spread link, is there to get the free version of the software that I use, or if you're a member, you can get the pro version, which basically the discount is so good, you basically get my membership for free. Okay, my members always get the best deal. Okay, there's a newsletter. Now, the moment you sign up, even if you've signed up before, it re-enables you. It's because you've not opened any of the last 5 emails. That's why you've been deleted. If you don't open any of the last 5 emails, it takes you off the list because it costs me money to send you emails. And if you're not opening them, there's no point me sending them to you, is there? I want 100% engagement rate. I don't want 1 million emails. It's pointless. So if you don't open any of the last 5 emails, it will delete you. So you have to add yourself on again. And then it might go into your junk folder because you never open it. So then look in your junk folder, and my email is martyn@martynlucas.com, as advertised everywhere. Search for that, and then you can find it. All right? Okay, so we're looking good. Let's see how the poll's getting on. 38% now are saying members only. All right. If you do it now, Paul, you will get an email response straight away. You'll get a welcome email. All right. Virgin Galactic going up. Palantir going up. Gold. S&P. Ha 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 ha. See? See? Look. Apple and... Right, up a 7, up a 8. In fact, no, I can't be bothered to make a video. I've got too many things to do. I just wanted to just stress this. Apple and Amazon, the biggest parts of the S&P, right? Some of the top players, they're down today 1.24. There's Apple, down. There's Amazon, down 1.52. Look at that. But the S&P is up 0.25%.
Charles Benting has become a member.
Charles Benting, we have got a silver member. This is very, very special. A silver member. Boom. This is very, very special because a silver member gets lots of extra perks that the bronze members don't get. I'm back. Wonderful to have you here. Would everybody please welcome Charles Benting. Charles, in addition to having a poll, asked for me to review a video. Review a stock and make a video for you. In addition to me replying to all your comments on YouTube, in addition to me replying to all of your social media, the birthday video that you can have, or you can donate it to somebody else. You also now get a 20-minute fundraiser gig if you want it, or a 20-minute party for a birthday anniversary on my music channel for free. You get that. On top of all of that, you can go on the homepage of my channel if you are a YouTuber, and I'll promote you. You can also, if you've got a business or a charity or something that you want to promote, you can do a giveaway, like a prize or whatever. People have done like $20 or $50 cash giveaways, or sometimes more. And then I can have links that people have to click on to win free tickets to for a business or a website. And we've seen the success of that. We got somebody who was, you remember, one of our members who did that, who ended up becoming in the top 10 on Amazon short stories, Mark Korn. Many, many perks that you get. It's not about me. I'm here to help people. I want to be the most honest, real life channel on YouTube TV. And your membership is an investment in yourself. And you can get many, many perks that benefit you many, many times to help. I'm here to help you. I just love helping people. So please make sure you take advantage of all of that. Would everyone please welcome in Charles Benting. Charles Benting. What country are you from, Charles? I wonder if we can fly the flag for you. Right. We can forget the portfolio. It's fine. We're doing really well. We're very green. Very, very happy. The S&P is going to shoot up whether Amazon or Apple go down. They're not what they are anymore. They've got to go down a long, long way, and I don't care what they do. And I won't even buy them. I won't even buy them now. There's absolutely no sense to do that. Coca-Cola is going up. J&J is up. This is going to $200. Look at my Coca-Cola now. Look, 9%. Absolutely fantastic. Future Faraday, FFIE, yes. I mean, it's in all kinds of problems. It's a lottery ticket. I am down over $1,000. You can see, there it is, $1,000. I've written off and lost $1,000. It's gone. It's probably gone. But I'm holding my position. It's like a lottery ticket, just like my Mullen. Sidhu Space has gone back down again. I'm out. I'm not in that. American from Michigan. Fantastic. Charles Benting. Lovely to have you here. Would everyone please welcome Charles? Let's have a great big welcome. He's a silver member. That's a huge thing. Welcome, Charles. Let's get everybody in. Welcome, Charles. Copy and paste, everybody. There you go. There you go. No one beats me on copying and pasting. Shakar, hello. Hello, Charles. Bass Santuan, yeah, joined a couple of days ago as well. I bought ARK for my Roth. Very, very good. Which one? ARK Innovation? Which one? Yeah, just looking through options. Yeah, Paul Knowles. Can you tell me if you found it? There you go. You got a welcome there from Australia. Chris Rambo. Welcome, Charles. Now then, Charles. Yorkshire Farming. I love it. Oscar K. There you go. You got the welcome in from everybody. Brilliant. Right. Review time. So. Did I give the last number for Virgin Galactic? I didn't, did I? I need to record that. I just didn't give the last number. Oh my gosh, that's going to confuse everybody. No one said anything. Thanks for not telling me. Thanks for not saying anything. I just realized I didn't give the last number. Unbelievable. I'll do it like this. So it stands out. Okay, so what's the time? No one said to me you didn't give the last number for Virgin Galactic. Unbelievable. 1:45. 1 hour 45. Last number. Okay, so you've got this far. Here's your last magic number. Add the three numbers together, enter them in the draw, and I'm going to give you 1,000 tickets to win our $100 cash giveaway. The third and the last number is 342. 342. Now on to the last few seconds of the video. All right, okay. Flipping heck. No one told me. No one told me. Unbelievable. Innovations. Yes, good one. Spot on. You'll do very well on that. It comes within a minute or so. Sometimes takes a couple of minutes. Okay. So here we go. So we're going to do two reviews this morning. Is G Corey here? Is G Corey in the chat? Is Antonio Dela Cruz in the chat? Is Brian in the chat? Brian, are you here? Pat M, are you in the chat? No. R3A. No. And Michelle? No. Okay. So my next review is Lim Derrick. Are you here, Lim? Yes. Are you here? Are you here? Can you given your expertise in the automotive and technology sectors, I would greatly appreciate your perspective on NEO. I can do a full review of NEO, but I can't do it right now. You've got to be a member for that, and I've got to do a members review right now anyway. But I wouldn't touch any Chinese stocks anyway. There are far better companies to buy. The manipulation is ridiculous. It's even worse than the United States. So I wouldn't touch it. Here is the Alpha Spread link. If anybody wants that, use that link and you can get a free plan, what I use, or you can get the paid plan, and the discount is 10%. It makes my membership for free. Okay, so I was trying to find the membership link there. There it is. Found it now. Okay, it's time for a review. Our first review, our second review with this afternoon. We're only going to do one review this morning and one this afternoon. So this is for Lim Derrick. And it's 2 hours. 2 hours in. Okay, here we go. So we're looking at LILM. LILM. Lilium. German company. Okay. Okay. At Robinhood. So LLIM. No, that's wrong. Got that wrong. LILM. Lilium. There we go. What is this? Ah. Takeoff and landing jets. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this sort of stuff. Always on my radar. Now then, I'm presuming 20. No dividend, obviously. Okay. So we want to line up. Let's have a look at this. Whoa. Wow, look at that. Like the look of that. Okay. This is cool. Bloody hell. I ain't seen nothing like this before. This is going to be interesting. You ain't seen nothing like this. Wow, look at that. I like this one. That doesn't mean to say I'm going to buy it, though. Right. Let's line up some... Okay. Okay, just lining it all up. We've got the news. We've got the investor pages. We've got. I like it. It's very cool. Can't just buy it because it's cool though. I could though. I could just buy it because it's cool though, can't I? Do what I like. Right. So let me put $10,000 in there. And LILM. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Appreciate it. Analyze it. I'm just loading up the software. I wonder if we should compare it to, what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday? We did a review yesterday of, what was it? Joby Aviation. Okay. We probably should have it lined up with Joby Aviation. We probably should. I'm going to do that. Give ourselves more of information. Joby Aviation. Put $10,000 in there as well. Analyze that. Okay. Okay. Right, we've got the news, we've got the back test. There's no dividends here. We've got the stock itself. Okay. All looking good. Right, we're good. Joby, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Lim Derek. Thank you, yeah, Joby. How will I become a member? I've been watching for a while and shamefully don't know how. Huge follower from Namibia. We're going to get a new country. We're going to get a new country. Simeon Tualeni from Namibia. It's a brand new country. I've been all over Africa. Fantastic. I would love to have a member from Namibia. Wonderful country. Wonderful. So let's see if he does it. I'm going to give you the membership link here. Many, many perks and benefits that you get. You get 20 times back what you put in. I'm excited now. This will be our 53rd country. We're going to go every single country of the world. Here is the link to become a member. Okay, there it is. There's the link to become a member. It works on every device other than an iPhone. And if you are on an iPhone, on your iPhone, you simply go to the browser on your iPhone. Then at the bottom, you select whichever browser you use, select desktop version, then the link will work. Recipe read aloud. Oh yes, I love Namibia. I can't wait to add a member from Namibia. We'll get to fly your flag just here. All right? We've got 52 countries right now. You'll be 53rd and you'll have your flag on the screen. Very exciting. So I'm going to make a video now and let you do that. That'd be awesome. That's very exciting. All right. There's bronze, silver, gold, investor, and sponsorship level. In sponsorship and then investor level. We haven't got any person that's an investor level. No one can afford that. I just put it in there for a laugh to see if anyone would do it, but no one's ever done it. All right. Got quite a few sponsors. We've got three or four sponsors, but we've got nobody as an investor level. This is the Queen. Recipe read out loud. Yes, I love Namibia. The Queen is from Uganda. The Queen will be very excited. We got Zach from Uganda. We got lots of people from Africa, haven't we? Now, brilliant. Anyway, I've got to do this review. All right. I am Indian. Have we got India? You're not a member though. You're not a member. So we can't. We've got the flag of India. We've got the flag of India, but you're not a member, Papu Basak. We'd love to have you as a member of our channel. Of course we would. Love to be able to help you in any way I can. Anyway, let's get to it. So here we go. How much is the investor level? The investor level, you actually have one-on-one. You can be an investor for 1 month. You can downgrade if you want to. You get your own videos made just for you, live concerts just for you. The idea was people could. It's a way to hire my entertainment services. People pay like $5,000 to hire me to play in their homes, to sing with my piano. You get that as an investor level. You're investing in the channel. So I give you literally myself. You literally get live concerts just for you. The video is made just for you. Nobody else sees it. It's exclusive. You get one-on-one help with building a channel or investing, or one-on-one unlimited as available time conversations. You basically invest in my time. You get my time one-on-one. And I think you can go and have a look. I think it's $499. You can always do it for 1 month if you want some serious time. Maybe you want me to do, if you have a wedding or a birthday or an event and you want me to, do a video that's only for you, nobody else sees it. That kind of stuff. One-on-one conversations. You actually get a lot of my time direct. Anyway, there we go. I'm half Wakandan. No, that doesn't count. I'm half. Someone said that yesterday. I'm half flipping alien. No, it doesn't. Where are you from or where you're watching? That's it. That's the only two options. Not, well, my sister, my half brother's cousin's auntie was an alien. So no, it doesn't work. Right. Anyway, enough of this flipping nonsense. Enough of this nonsense. Here we go. Yeah, people can combine. If you want to sponsor the channel, promote a business or something like that, you certainly can. You could do it with somebody else. That's between the two of you. Yeah. If someone sent you, $50 and you became a sponsor, you sponsor the channel and all sorts of benefits you get with that. Anyway, let me focus on what's important right now. That's our next review. Now then, we're going to go members only, and it's for Lim. Lim, if you want to, or anybody else wants to comment during the making of this video, you can, and if you put your comment in, it will read it out in the making of the video, and you can have your say built into this video. If you've got a question or you want to comment about the company, then you can. So here we go. Let's do it now. Time for another stock review. This time we're talking Lilium NV. Very cool. Look at this. We're going to do a deep dive on this stock. We're going to show you the balance sheet, inside trading, who's buying, who's selling. We're also going to do a full back test, compare it to the S&P, compare it to Joby Aviation. Here's our back test. We're going to share with you some news around the stock, what's happening. We're going to share with some breaking in some investor information and what the balance sheet looks like, the debt position looks like, to give you an informed decision whether you should buy or sell or hold this stock. Also share with you the short position, what their liabilities, assets. I'm going to give you a solvency score, a profitability score. And all this information is provided openly and honestly. No one pays me to make these reviews. They are done for my members as a perk. And I'm not sponsored at all by Alpha Spread. Even though I'm using this software, I use it because it's the best software available. It's not biased, it's just algorithmic software, picks up the numbers and gives me the best information on the stock. That is it. Very straightforward. No one pays me or sponsors me to make the reviews. I do them just to help my members, okay? So you can then make an informed decision whether this is right for you. Okay. Tap the like button if you like the video. That would be really, really helpful. And subscribe and ring the bell if you enjoy this content. All right? There you go. All right? Even if you don't like the video, actually, smash the down like button. I don't care. Just do something. Get engaged. After all, I might not like you. It's perfectly fine not to like everybody. There's loads of people I don't like. So anyway, there you go. Smash the down like button if you don't like the video. But then you won't be shown. So just going to say, if you do tap the down like button, you won't be shown my content anymore. Right, let's get straight into it. What is this? What is it all about? How does it compare to the competition? Let's have a look. Right, let's start basic and let's get into more detail as we go. Lilium NV. All right, what is it? Lilium NV develops all-electric vertical takeoff and landing jets. The firm focuses on eVTOL aircraft to use in a new type of high-speed air transport system. So straight away, I'm thinking this is not a Joby. This is not a giant drone. This is an electric jet. This is different, I think. Okay, we're going to find out now. I'm reading it for the first time. I make no apologies for that. I'm doing it for the first time, making this happen for the first time. All right. Let's have a look. It uses, the firm focuses, we've read that, okay? It uses the Lilium jet to offer low noise and high performance with zero operating emissions and to accelerate the decarbonization of air travel. The company was founded on March 11, 2021 and is headquartered in Wesseling. I've been there. Wesseling, Germany. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut, though. The listed name for LILM is Lilium NV class. All right? Okay. Klaus Rau from Wesseling, Bayern, Bavaria. Lovely part of the world. You know, go walk in the Black Forest. Anyway, founded in 2021. Very, very new company. If you buy it on margin, it's going to cost you... It's going to cost you 100% margin. It's very risky. It's very volatile. Had a lot of issues recently. Okay, we'll come on to that in a minute. It's a very small company, very small, 557 million, producing jets like this. Someone in my live stream has just pointed out VTOL is vertical takeoff and landing. Thank you very much indeed, Paul Knowles. I love how all the family come together with more information. I love it. High today, 109, and 52-week high, 190. So we are very much a penny stock, and anything under $5 is, and I know already that this stock has had to do reverse splits to stay on the index. That's not good. We'll come to that earlier. Price earnings, no information. It's way too new. We're going to be very limited today with information that we can give you. It's speculative at best. You can't value a company until they make any money. You can't value a company until you know what their customers are, what their margins are, but we can have the best look possible, right? Okay. Average volume, 3.64 million. Volume today is 671 at 9:37 in the morning, so it's probably a little bit lower than average today. Okay. All right. Scrolling on down. Who else is buying the stock? Well, there you go. This tells us the nature of the stock. Joby Aviation, we've just reviewed that. Very interesting company. Archer Aviation, we've reviewed that as well. Vertical Aerospace, I haven't. Canoe is rubbish. Nikola has a lot of Redditors and people pumping and dumping the stock. Very risky stock. Might be a good product or a good business, but, well, I say a good product. The business isn't that good right now. It's being completely destroyed by its own investors, but not really investors at the end of the day, more gamblers. Charge Point, we've also reported on this. This does show me this is very much a penny stock. We've got nobody in here from, big institutions perhaps, or well, we may have, that's a different story. We've got no retail investors here, like J&J or Coca-Cola, any solid old money in here. So no stability, very innovative, but not always good to be in an innovative camp. I'd like to have seen Tesla in there. That says innovation with some sort of some kind of fundamental basis. But anyway, we don't have that. Anyway, let's move on and look first of all at the website just briefly before we go into the numbers. This is what we're talking about, folks. This is not Joby. This is not electric propellers. This is not a giant drone. This is an electric jet. This looks very, very cool. This is more futuristic, I think, than the propellers. I just can't see in 100 years from now we're flying around with propellers. I think jet propulsion, electric jet propulsion is the future, or some derivative of this. This looks very, very cool. The moment I looked at it, I thought, this is interesting. This is very different. This is not a helicopter, because basically, drones are basic electric helicopters, really. This is an electric jet. Anyway, building radically better ways of moving. A revolution in sustainable high-speed regional air mobility. The first electric vehicle takeoff and landing jet. Wow, this is a proper spaceship, right? This is a proper spaceship. This is what you could imagine if we could have, like, Virgin Galactic, for example, doesn't require a mothership. It just takes off and goes into space, comes back down. This is a potentially proper spaceship, like a futuristic spaceship, not one that plops in the desert on a parachute, or drops in the sea, or even drops its like SpaceX drops its forget the name of those things now. The booster rockets, and even though they fly back down. But if we can have a vehicle that is in itself able to just take off, land, come back down, there's no bits that fall off, there's no parachutes, there's no motherships, this would be it, wouldn't it? This would be it. This would be the new Virgin Galactic for me. Anyway, I like that idea. Right, starting point. Let's have a look here. What's this starting point? Okay, let's have a look at this. This is what we're doing here. A very funky website, by the way. Let me zoom out a minute. This is a very unusual navigation website. The way you zoom in, it moves on the screen. Very odd. Anyway, look. Train, car, Lilium. Here we go. Let's have a look at this. Train, car, and Lilium. Philadelphia. We got to Philadelphia from New York in 55 minutes. 1 hour. Oh, we're going back now. There we go. New York, 1 hour. Journey cost $200. High-speed train, hang on a minute. It wasn't any more expensive than it wasn't much more expensive than a train. Let's watch that again before we go and look at this. This is important. Joby didn't do this. I like this. This shows me what it costs. So we're going on a train, we're going on a car, and we're going on an electric jet. Let's watch closely. All right. Well, we know it's the quickest way of getting there. All right. Now then, what did it cost? It cost $200 on the jet, $150 on the train, $280 by taxi. I like how they said taxi rather than a car, because an electric car would have been near nothing. So you need to compare it to a car, not just a taxi. But I get the point, though. For high-speed travel, very, very cool. I like that. Joby didn't do that. Anyway, that's interesting. Right. Let's go. Now I'm all excited about it. Let's have a look. How does it speak to the investors? We're going to look at how much money it's got in a minute. Yeah, it might be worth grabbing a handful of shares. I kind of like it. I probably will, actually. Well, hang on. Steady on. The pilot wants 100. 200 can't be right. The pilot wants $100. Well, that's what they said. Oh, maybe, Paul, it's self-drive. Maybe it's, I'm just talking to one of my members now, making this video. Got to remember, I'm making a video here. One of my members said, that can't be right. Maybe it's self-drive. Maybe it's that. A lot of these things now are self-drives. They just fly there. No need for a pilot. So there you go. Probably don't have a pilot. You get on, it goes, it comes back. That's probably what it does. Anyway, I don't know. Let's have a look. We've got some latest information here. Just a few days ago, December the 14th, in fact, Lilium regains compliance with NASDAQ listing rules. Now, what this is about, the first electric vehicle takeoff and landing jet today announced that on December the 12th, it received a written notice from the NASDAQ stock market, let me zoom in here, that has regained compliance with the minimum bid of $1. Now, I've explained this before. You have to be a $1. So you have to, like, reverse split the stock to stay in. Otherwise, you get delisted. What else is there? I was just about to read out, we value our privacy. Let me just do that anyway. Lilium is creating I know it's quite small, but it's better than going backwards and forwards. Let me just read it to you. accessible mode of high-speed regional transport for people and goods using the Lilium jet, an all-electric vehicle takeoff and landing jet designed to offer leading capacity, low noise and high performance with zero operating emissions. Lilium is accelerating the decarbonization of air travel, working with aerospace technology and infrastructure leaders, and with announced sales and indications of interest in Europe, United States, China, Brazil, UK, and United Arab Emirates, and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Lilium's 800-plus strong team includes approximately 450 aerospace engineers and a leadership team responsible for delivering some of the most successful aircraft in aviation history. Founded in 2015, Lilium's headquarters and manufacturing facilities are in Germany, with teams based across Europe and the US. To learn more, visit the website. Okay. All right, that'll do for now. Let's go and look at the numbers. So it's had a reverse split to stay in the market, right? This is what happened. It's been around since 2015, but over here in 2020, it went public, popped all the way up and then fell all the way down, and now we're at 130. So if we look here, we were probably a SPAC. I don't know. It looks like we were a SPAC, $10.53. May not, but it's normally $10 to bob on. I don't know. And it doesn't matter. People get hung up on that with Chamath and all the rest of it. It doesn't really matter. So we had a reverse split to stay on the index. Let's have a look how it's gone up, down this week, 14%. It's up 3% on the month. 3 months, it's up 56%. Year to date, it's down. Okay, so it's had some movement in the last 3 months. That's because of the reverse split, and it's now complying. Anyway, let's go on to the numbers. I fear we're going to get limited information. But anyway, let's have a look. Not available. It's brand new. It's so new. This is when you get rich, folks. You buy something so new and it works out. No one else is looking at it. No one else is talking about it. Could be interesting. However, not available at the moment. Nothing available. We can't value it. Fundamental analysis. What's their financial situation? Revenue. We don't know. Operating income. Negative, but it's improved by 35%. Net income has improved by 40%, but still negative. Cash flow has improved by 4%. These are the most recent ranges, but still losing money. Capital expenditure, 9.1 million, negative 40%. So that's, it's come down. That's good. We are now spending less money. Operating cash flow has improved 2%. Right. How much money have they got? Can they make this work? The balance sheet, 314 million of assets. Current assets, short-term investments, 226, cash and short-term investments, right? So predominantly its assets are made up of cash. Okay. What's its debt position looking like? Long-term debt, 9.4 million of 8 out of 81. So long-term debt is very, very small. It's 11. And that'll be a benefit when it goes up, when rates come down. So, but it's not going to be a massive catalyst because the long-term debt is only 11%, right? Okay. We can't do the efficiency of the company. There are no numbers. Nothing to talk about. There's nothing at all to talk about. Obviously, profitability, 19%. Well, no surprise. We're not selling anything yet. We're not really doing anything yet. It's all negative. It's 19. Can't get much lower than that. The good news is it's not going bust. Negative net debt, short-term solvency, low DE, and long-term solvency, 55%. We're not going bust. So not to worry there. We're not going bust anytime soon. 55%. We've got a runway here. Wall Street analysis. Well, we're just guessing at this stage. Wall Street say 500% upside. Wall Street average cost 169%. Downside 28%. Take from that what you will. Competition, well, I think we want to compare it, but it's not Joby, is it? It's not a giant helicopter. This is very, very sexy. This is very rock and roll. This is something very, very different. So we're talking about something very, very different here than what we've looked at in the past. So it is very, very exciting. No two ways about that. So I don't know if you can compare it to that. This is very speculative at best. What about percentage shorted? 6%. 6% short interest. That's significant. Not excessive. We're not going to get a short squeeze. There's not enough volume for that. Not enough shorts for that. We need at least 20% to even think about a short squeeze. Not enough there, but shares outstanding. We've got 518 million shares. Market cap is 545. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Now, this might have some audio that we can't play, but we'll have a look.
Headquartered in Los Angeles, California, Surf Air Mobility is an electric aviation company redefinition.
Oh, here we go.
The eVTOL market is undergoing a transformative development surge.
Let's have a look at this.
Positioning itself for the next generation of modern aviation. eVTOL aircrafts combine the vertical abilities of a helicopter with eco-friendliness of zero-emission technologies. As urban congestion worsens and environmental concerns mount, the eVTOL industry has emerged to offer innovative and sustainable solutions for mobility. Here are the top 5 eVTOL stocks to watch in 2024.
Let's have a look at this. We'll go to the one that we want.
Headquartered in Los Angeles, connect the world's communities through the air and across the United States. Based on
I'll edit all this down.
And Archer, the company's electric ways in South Florida.
I'll edit all this down.
Built to serve coastal and technology. Under the ticker symbol, prototype has covered an aircraft will
there's
be designed
Joby.
to the power of flight. And in 2020, Archer Aviation is an
Archer,
urban
another helicopter.
Support production of up to 6 Chinese-based EHang ranges from
EH.
Air Mobility Solutions. Recently began delivering.
Number 5.
Lilium is developing its first eVTOL jet.
Okay,
in
I'll
trade on the
edit it
NASDAQ
here
under the ticker symbol EH.
when I make the video.
Lilium is developing its first eVTOL jet that features proprietary ducted electric vectored thrust technology. The company has begun assembling its electric propulsion system at a dedicated facility near its headquarters in Germany. Lilium says that the development is a significant step toward achieving commercial deployment, with first manned flights targeted for late 2024. Lilium continues to fly demonstration tests at the Atlas Flight Test Center in Spain, where it is focused on increasing operational performance and further preparations to achieve certification. Shares of Lilium trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol LILM. Thanks for watching.
Okay, that'll do. I'll edit that out. So I will write down there that I'm going to edit that. Edit on news. Edit on news. Okay. So we'll move on from that now and we'll scroll down and we'll look at the sentiment of the stock. The last 90 days, we've got some positive news, hardly any negative news at all. It all looks good there. Last 30 days, 70% positive news, nothing negative. 7 days, 50% positive, just neutral. And today, just neutral news. So sentiment looked good. Okay, so there we go. So this is a very interesting one. Let me give my final thoughts on it. Well, before we do that, actually, we need to go and do one final thing, and that is, of course, the back test. It's very important. I know it's boring, but you have to do it. All right, so $10,000 in 2021. In the S&P, you've now got 13 grand. Lilium, 10,000 is now worth 960. You lost 90% of your money. Joby Aviation, $10,000. You've now got just under 6. So, as you can see, Lilium is in red. It's lost most money. It's had a reverse split. It's managed to stay on the market. Only just, but it is there. So what's my thoughts on this one? If it's German or Japanese, it's a buy from me. Paul Knowles just commented in the making of this video. I actually understand what you're saying there. There's a certain amount of that. Yes, I agree with you. The German discipline of this kind of technology and infrastructure is fantastic. Yes, I agree with that. So, Lilium. The purpose of these reviews is to ascertain whether we've got value. The stock is a good company. It's well managed. It's got plenty of cash, and so on. A lot of that we can't learn from this, but it's not going bust anytime soon. It's got a good runway. I have to say, I like this idea more than giant drones. I do. If I'm honest, I do like this. I don't think we can learn anything else from this right now. This is speculative right now. It's got a certain amount of money. It's expecting the path this year to get some flights in, some business in this year. It won't take very much for this stock to pop if we get any kind of news. I think for me, it's worth a buy. Purely speculative because I like the innovation. I like the idea. It's got some cash. It looks, from what I can see so far, it looks a potential. It is purely speculative though, but I can afford some speculation at this point. I think that this has, in my opinion, I think this kind of craft is more innovative and forward-thinking than propellers. I definitely think so. So that's I just can't see the future with propellers. I think the future is jets. That's what Elon Musk is working on. Elon Musk wants an electric plane, and it won't be propellers. I'm sure it'll be a jet. So much more potential efficiency down the line if you can get it right. So that's what I think. Anyway, so let's do it. During the making of this video, let's do it. So here we go. I'm going to buy live on the show. Let's have a look at the price. LILM. So buy limit order 107. That's where it is today. Continue. Market hours today. There we go. 500 shares. 500 shares. Review. There it goes. Swipe it up. There you go. I'm in. I've just bought 500 shares of Lilium NV. Fantastic. Good. There it is. There's my position. And I've just made $2.50. There you go. I got an average price of 106. There you go. I'm making money already. It's amazing. All right. It's amazing. Fantastic. The magic of it all. Anyway, is everybody else going to buy it with me? We'll find out. Anyway, click above my head for more information about this stock. I'm going to reach out now to the CEO, those at the company. I'm going to start making friends online. No one else is covering this stock, so I will go viral pretty quickly, I would imagine, on this stock. So, yep, I'm going to be the one talking all about it. Is this my new Virgin Galactic? Who knows? Look below in the description as well. You'll find all the links. And over here, you'll find my full analyst review of my Alpha Spread reviews, and down here as well I'll put more information of Meet the CEO if I ever get an interview with this company. You can be part of that. So there you go. If you click above my head as well and down here, you'll find the link to Alpha Spread. It's completely free. You could get a premium version with my membership, and then you'll end up getting my membership for free. There you go. Lilium, I just bought 400 shares of a vertical takeoff jet. Fantastic. This could be very, very interesting. And till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. How's it going, Chris Pickering? Hi, Chris. Lilium going up tomorrow. Martin has done it. We'll have to watch the video. Martyn Lucas, Music for Hope. 1 minute 10 to 1 minute 41. Best vocals ever. Gave me chills. I had to grab my guitar and start playing a bit. It's rare that vocals inspire me to pick up again. Usually it's other guitarists. Wow. Jose Quintana, thank you very much. Send me the link on Discord. Because I don't know which video you mean. I'll drop it in. Suppose can't lose at $1. We'll have to research it, says Chris. Hand pink waving. You can't research that much, mate. Lim Derek. Thanks, Martin. You're welcome. I'll buy it 50 cents. All right. Okay. Very, very good. Portfolio's green. We're looking good. Let's have a look. Let's wrap up today's show. There you go. Overall portfolio looking very nice. I'm excited about that. Right, there you go. There's my portfolio. Smashing it again today. 73, needs 74 grand. This is good, isn't it? It's good here, isn't it? Flying taxi, says Chris. Yeah, but this is not Joby, though. This is a jet. This is proper space. This is proper stuff now. Okay, we are done for the day. Until this afternoon. I'll be back this afternoon. I think I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Got a good audience on TikTok. Shall we put TikTok on the show? Yes. Yes. Here's TikTokers. Hello, TikTok. How are you? Hello, Malto. Right. Let me put him up on the screen. TikTok. Here we go. Gonna sneeze again. Am I gonna sneeze again? I ate that. Don't you hate that? Hey, we got a new Luca badge owner. AZ Uber guy. Whoa, look at this. I've got 5 new Luca badge owners today. That's amazing. Fantastic. What's your price prediction on the stock? I have a Robinhood account. On which stock is that? Oh, look at this. Look at that. Hey, I'm getting confetti. Look at this, folks. Look at this. This is my TikTok audience. I've got a new Luca badge owner. AZ Uber guy. He's watching me on TikTok. Shall I give everybody my TikTok account? Go on in, tap the, he's my #1 fan. Look at that. The one you just bought. What's my price target? We can't have a price target at the moment. We can't have a price target because it's too new. But what's your price prediction on this stock? Right now it's speculative. I've put $500 on it. It's one of those sort of things. It's like buying Tesla at the beginning, right? Buy it, forget it. I'll monitor it. I'll make friends online. I'll learn about it. But it's one of those things we don't know. It is purely speculative, but it's got some cash. It's not going bankrupt for a while, at least anyway. So anyway, there you go. There's my thought. Let me give everyone my TikTok. I want everyone to go in the TikTok for the last couple of minutes. Where's the link for TikTok? Let's get everyone to go in there. Here we go. Oh, that's my. Here it is. Here's my TikTok. Let's see if I can get everyone just for the last minute to join our top member. There we go. TikTok. There it is. Let me give it to everybody on LinkedIn. Not LinkedIn. Beg your pardon. Yes, LinkedIn. There we go. Right. There we go. Drop it in there. Let me give it to my rumblers. There's my rumblers. TikTok. Just come and say hello, right? Just let's get everybody in. Everybody on Kick. There we go. Everybody on Kick. What about Facebook? Yeah, everybody on Facebook. There you go. And what about X? Let me do it on X as well. Flipping heck. I've got 19 comments to answer on X. Blimey. That's going to keep me busy. Right. Okay. Let's see if anyone jumps in. Tap the screen like this. If you tap the screen like that, look at that. If you tap the screen, hearts come on the screen. That's me doing that. That's me doing that, but that doesn't matter. Let me just go and read these a minute before we end the show. Notifications. Henrik. Right. For the people, Martyn, get everyone involved. For the people, Martyn, get everyone involved. Oh, I see. You want to get everyone involved. Okay. Well, the poll will decide it. Okay. The poll will decide. Okay. The poll will decide. What else have we got here? Reposts, restreams, a new follower. Got a new follower. That's Fortune Fibs. Fortune Fibs. Thank you very much indeed to you. Hello, how are you today? Lovely to have you here. Thanks for following me on X. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. I've got a couple of private messages. I can't share that with you on the screen because it could be from Virgin Galactic or other places that other CEOs talk to me. So I have to be respectful of private messages. Until I know what it is, I can't open that up for everybody. All right, just so you know what that is. All right, let me come back to TikTok just for a second. There we go. Let me bring it up here a minute. If I put a limit buy order, what price do you recommend exit? What, on Lilium? Well, you can't look at it as an exit right now. Theresa Million, the military bros, Teria military bros has got number 2 gifter. AZ Uber guy has got competition now. We can't value the company, so we're not looking to exit. I bought it because I'm taking a speculative punt on it. I like the technology. I like what it's doing. It seems very innovative. I think that's the future more. It's very much Virgin Galactic, right? But better in a way, because if the overall ship can do everything without a mothership or boosters, that's the ultimate goal, right? But I mean, that's the ultimate spacecraft, essentially. That's what we want. So I bought 500 shares, right? I'm not buying any more. It's just speculative right now. I don't mind paying more for the stock if it's now got business and customers. So I'm not looking to exit it because I've only spent $500. I bought shares for $1 each. I'm not looking to get out of the stock. I'm going to hold it and I'm going to watch it. And it could be a Tesla 5 years from now. It could be the Tesla of the skies. And it could be $1,000 a share. So I'm not looking to exit. I can't give a valuation on it. So I bought it. I'm holding it. And, there we go. Let me see if the stock has moved. Has anybody else been buying it? 106. No, I'm at a wash at the moment. No one else has jumped in with me yet. But anyway, not that I know of anyway. It's a very small market cap. It's only 500 million. Look, you see there, look. But anyway, there we go. It's on a wash at the moment. Right, that's it from me. Can fly to Virgin and get rocket to space. Exactly. Brilliant, right? Martyn, I added the numbers from the live stream today, but they add up to over 1,000. And I can only put 3 numbers. Paul, what are you on about, mate? I added up the numbers from the live stream today, but they are up over 1,000. I can only put 3 numbers. Paul, read the instructions. Paul, read the instructions. Today's video, I haven't put it out yet. This isn't the competition video. It hasn't gone out yet. It doesn't exist yet. What you're looking at, read the instructions. What does it say, Paul? Paul knows. What does it say on here? What does it say? Enter here only the number you get from the live. Whoops, hang on. Where's it gone? What's it gone? Where's it gone? Oh, hang on. Beg your pardon. Enter here only the number you get from the live show. Click on it. Read it. Enter here the number you get from the live show. 3 magic numbers. There's the link to the video. It's this video. This was the live party the other day. And then you put the code in there. That wasn't today's video. Look, this link will take you to the party video. This video, not the video today. It tells you. Just read it. People never read stuff. Enter here, own the magic number found in the newsletter. Enter here the magic number found in the newsletter. Click on here. Take you to the newsletter. And then you enter the code. I did 3 times. I did it. I did 3 times. Ha ha. What do you mean you did it 3 times? I did 3 times. I'm not sure I know what you mean. It does work. I can assure you it does work. Because people have done it. 3 people have done it. And there is another video as well. Where is it? Which is the other one? Retweet. Daily bonus. Oh, yeah. Enter the number you get from the magic. Enter the number you get from watching the competition video. This link here. Go there. Hang on. Enter here only. The number you get from the live show. If you missed it, you can watch the live replay. We're given 3 minutes. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Right? Why are you reading out what it says? I know all that. That's what you've got to do. And it tells you what video to go and watch to get the 3 numbers. Oh. See, you just got to read it, mate. Right? Don't come on my show. Don't come on my show going, it doesn't work. You've not even read it. Read it. Pay attention. I don't have a newsletter. No, you don't. Did you just subscribe to the newsletter, didn't you? Did you find the auto response? You would have it by now. Do you have the auto response? Okay, I'll get there. Do you have the auto response? Did you find tell me, did you find the auto response? All right. Did you get the auto response so you know you've signed up for the newsletter? Oh my gosh. Right. I'm going to send the newsletter out now to all the new subscribers today. Gone postal. That's right. That's right. This is what I got to put up with, mate. Can you believe it? So here we go. I'm going to send out the newsletter to all the new subscribers right now. All right. I'm going to do it right now to help Paul Knowles out. Don't know why I'm doing that. I don't have to do it, but I'm going to. All right. I'm going to do it. Yeah, I got more. Right. Here we go. So I'm going to send it out to new subscribers. Here we go. So new subscribers. So replicate. I'm doing it now. Okay, here we go. So edit the name. I'm doing it right now. Newsletter 57, new subs. So I know it's going to the new subs, right? Save that. Okay. Edit recipients. I'll sort it out. Back to the stream. No, I'm going to send it out now because I'm going to finish off. I'm going to do it now. New subscribers. Here we go. New subscribers. Save. Right. 15 people. 15 new members, right? This is what I'm doing right now. I'll share, look. I'll share with you. This is me doing this for you, right? All right. Look, there you go. Newsletter 57. It's called New Subs. It's going out to 15 new subscribers. Martin, there's my email. New Year giveaway. Send time. I'm going to send it now. So anyone who subscribes in the next 10 seconds is going to get this, right? Okay. Add send time. Now. Save. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready? Will be our new to-do. Don't get out this time. I won't. Not at that price. I'm going to just hold it. It's completely different than to-do. It's a very different thing. Okay, so here we go. Send. Right. I'm going to give everyone the chance. No, it's too late. Yeah, it's too late now. I'm going to do it now. Ready? Okay, you ready? Send. Send. 15 subscribers. Send now. There you go. So give it a minute, Paul, and you will get my newsletter with the magic number, everything you need. Fantastic. There it is. Great job. All campaigns. Here we go. Let's see if he gets it. There it is, sending. There it is, sending. 15 subs. Let me refresh it. Has it sent yet? This is what he... Sent. Sent. There you go. View report. Right, it's gone. Anyone who just subscribed, it's gone. Now remember, if you don't open the last 5 emails, you'll be deleted from the service. So if you've not opened any of the last 5, you'll be taken off. Right. 15 people. There it is. Okay. And if I refresh the screen, no one's opened it yet. Let's see if Paul Knowles opens it. I won't show your email, of course, but I will I'll be able to tell you. So I'll come back to that in a second. So go and check your emails if you are a new subscriber and see. I'll come back to that in a second. I got in... LILM will be our new to-do. There you go. We're making money. All right. Anyway. I'm mostly a crypto investor, says AZ Uber guy. Well, you want to join the show on Sunday. If you want to join the show on Sunday for that information with Sensei Crypto, that's on YouTube. It's not on TikTok, okay? Okay. So I was watching today's live show, but the link, the video to a live show, correct. It's right. Let's refresh the screen. See if Paul Knowles has opened his flipping email. It's basically the Paul Knowles show. Okay. So where do I add the 3 numbers from today? I haven't made the video yet. I'm still live. When I can end this show, I will edit it, put it up, create the competition for you to go and do it. I haven't done it yet. I'm still here. I haven't edited the video because I'm still talking to you. I haven't created the competition yet. Bloody hell, mate. This is like hot off the press. It's not even got into the press to be printed yet. That's how hot this is. Right, you ready? Let's see if Paul Knowles has opened his email. He better have done. Otherwise, there's going to be hell up. There's going to be hell up. 2 opened. Hey! Thank God for that. Thank God for that. Oh my gosh. Now then, I'm not going to show his email but I am going to open it so I can see, all right? Let me see who opened it. Who opened it? Not Paul Knowles. Not Paul Knowles. Dominic Webb and Jonas Van Haver opened it. Jonas Van Haver opened it and Dominic Webb opened it. No Paul Knowles. Can't believe it. I'm not going to show it on the screen because it will share their email. So Jonas Van Haver and Dominic Webb, they both opened it, and there you go. But no, not Paul Knowles. Let me refresh it. Come on, Paul. Look in your flipping junk folder. No, he still hasn't opened it. I give up, mate. You're not going to be able to do this. This competition ain't for you, mate. It requires you opening an email. You can't be doing it. Right, I got to end the show. I can't be putting up with this. I got things to do. I got places to go. For Palantir, gold, S&P, fantastic. Amazon, nothing through yet. It's in your junk folder. I guarantee it. I guarantee it's in your junk folder. How do I know this? Let me check. Let me check if it went to you, right? Right, recipients. Recipients, here we go. Who received it? Martin Young, Dominic Webb, Brian Stewart, Gillian Ferrara, Jonathan Vanderhoof, Ian Cummings, Jonas Van Haver, Cody, James, Steve Wally, Larry Waldorf, Mattel Savek, Leaf Tate, Paul Hudson, Mike Kelly, Ian Cummings, you're not on the list, so you haven't even subscribed. Unless you're Paul Hudson. Are you Paul Hudson? Is that your real name? But Paul Hudson, Matthew Kelly, Ian Cummings, Jonathan Waldorf, Fiera Gullahan, Brian Stewart, Dominic Webb, Martin Young, Rick Johnson, Jonas Haver, Cody. Yeah, you're not on the list. So you've not even subscribed to it, I don't think. Let me look at audience. New subscribers. Subscribed. Okay, Paul Stone. Paul Stone, there you are. What does that mean? Oh, it's bounced. So, right, Paul Stone, I see you. You've been cleaned. You've been cleaned because you've been hard bounced. So the email that you put in has an issue with it. It went to your email. Yes, it's you've been cleaned from the system because it bounces. Your email is bounced, hard bounce, which means the inbox is not accepting emails. It was sent on January the 2nd. It's not been sent today because you've been hard bounced. But anyway, I can't do no more than that. That's to do with your email. I suggest you use a different email, or and I can do it again. But anyway. The server might have it, but it's not at my end yet. Yeah, no, you're it's hard bounced, so it's not landing at you. I don't know if you've got if you are using some server in an office or something like that, but you're not allowed to get emails on that email. That's essentially what's happened here. Anyway, I think I'm on twice with my other account. I would unsubscribe from one, but I've deleted the emails now. Well, don't worry. Unsubscribe in the future. All right, that's it. Today's show has basically been all about Paul Knowles, but don't worry about it. It's all good. We've got to get out of here, though. Thank you very much. I've got to go and make some videos so all of you can enter our giveaway. That's it. Thank you ever so much indeed for my friends on TikTok today. Thank you. Let's get out of here. It's time to do Day Trader of the Day. See you's up, see you's down. My portfolio is blinding again. Looking good. There we go. We're breaking records again. We're up today 1.24. We're up 0.5% on my Roth. 74,000. Looking good. All right, that's it from me. You know what time it is? Time for Day Trader of the Day. If I add the 3 numbers up from the live show, I get a 40 and I can only enter. Or am I stupid? Jonas Van Haver, not another one. Jonas Van Haver. The 3 numbers that you get are not for this video. It tells you what video it is. Click on it. It says this video. It's got a thumbnail. It's got a link. It's got a video. It's not this video. This video that I'm going to put out later on will be another thing. This is not it. Unbelievable. What is going on? Right, Day Trader of the Day. I've got to get out of here. I can't put up with this nonsense anymore. Oh my gosh.
The year is 1991.
Yes.
Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony.
Yes.
Until one day, a young man catches fire.
That's me.
This is Phoenix.
Correct. Here we go.
You've been knocked down and got up again.
1.11.
You're surrounded, no defenders.
Matthew Kelly. Matthew Kelly, I've just sent you your newsletter. Make sure that you open it, otherwise you'll be deleted. Down 1.7494, up 0.8. Up 1.1. Up 0.51, down 0.74, down 0.82. Matthew Kelly is gonna win today. 1.25, 1.76. $1.76. The winner is Matthew Kelly. Nice one, mate. Matthew Kelly, you are the winner. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Congratulations. Well done to you. Subscribers, Vladar Popovich, and members Charles Benting. Woo! Stars of the show, thanks for your support. This is how we did today. 13,499 subscribers. How many people came for the show? 454 today. 8,000 views. Everyone's looking for Fisker FSR 718. That's the top video at the moment. Alright. That's it from me. Thanks ever so much. Another great day. See you back in a bit. How's the vote going on? How's the poll? How's the poll? How's the poll? How's the poll? Where is it? Virgin Galactic poll, there it is. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much. See you back in a bit. Bye-bye everybody on TikTok. Everybody, wherever you are around the world. That's it from me. I'm out of here. I'll see you back in a bit. Another great day. You can't leave until you dance. Another great day. That's it from me. There's no dancing today. And the portfolio is still rising. We're still going up. It's going up and up and up and up. 1.33. I think I'm going to win now. Anyway, that's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. As always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, and most importantly, as always, take care of each other. Bye-bye.